Oh, welcome back. Welcome back to the night shift, guys. Oh, hold on a second. So glad you're with me again. My name is Brad. I'm the host of the night shift, the fastest growing live futures day trading show in the Asia session. Nobody's growing as fast as we are. Glad to be back with you. Hope you've had an incredible day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever it is you find yourself on this big, beautiful world. I hope that you are actually having a fantastic day. Oh, it's good to be back. It's good to be rested. It's good to just have my brain turned on, have some energy. I don't feel tired. I don't feel sleepy. The microphone is on. It's not muted. I feel like last night was I was in a complete haze for the whole show. Just delirious, sleepy haze all night long. So, man, it's good to be back. Welcome into the night shift, guys. Let me jump in here and start saying good evening to people. Trader 007, Dan Emmons in the chat early, Wags Graham 98 SR20, Kevin X, LSG, Diago Correa, Duarte Machado, Relax Vibes, Sinister Scalper, Mr. Long Shorts, Farina Ballerina, Naruto Uzastaki, Shuri, Aubrey Strawberry, Owen Flashy, WNC Tony, JJ Redbird, Shuri Brad Allen, Cam Trades, Fraser, Roger the Lamb, M. Pachacall, Adam Daz, Icy Hawk, Full Port Gambler, FN Yang, LWMSGM, Toasties here, Kyle's in the house, Jiangguan, Daytick, Bank Robber Trading, Skydock Houdini, Adam Daz. What's going on, guys? All of my regulars, alternators, says Seeb, everybody's pouring in now. Welcome back. It's good to be with you guys. I'm so happy to be with you. Hold on one second. I'm getting a text from my woman. Oh, it's about something else. I thought it was about dinner because it's already dinner time. Hopefully that's coming through. Dinner text, yeah. It's right about that time. She's got to go. So she put in a grocery order at H-E-B. She's going to pick it up. Hopefully bringing some grub back, because this boy is hungry tonight, ready to go. I haven't eaten pretty much anything all day. So I've been doing my intermittent fasting, where I try to, what's up, Dave Mack, Jennifer Rice, Solely Trader. I got a few more coming in. Ekaliki, Echalakiki, I don't know how you say that, Roland White Studio. Phineas. So I've been doing my intermittent fasting because I've been on this keto diet, and I've also been working out every day, trying to get in Speedo shape. You know how it goes. And today, so I ate dinner. Well, I really didn't eat much yesterday. I was exhausted anyway on the stream last night. I had a little wrap, a little keto wrap for dinner last night. Went home, crashed. As soon as I got into the apartment, I went straight to bed. I was out. Woke up this morning actually feeling good. All I do is coffee in the morning with just a little bit of creamer in it, because I can't just do straight black coffee. My cock smell, what's going on? Rod Trades, Sylvie US, what's going on, guys? Jay Ham, yo, welcome in. So that was the only little bit of calorie I had in the morning. I go to work. Mondays are absolutely crammed full of meetings on Mondays. I think I've told you that before. What's up, Ascendancy? How you doing? They're just busy days. I literally jumped in the car after my last meeting in the morning. I jumped in the car at 11:15, drove to the gym, got there about 11:30, got in a workout from like 11:30 to 12:15, rushed back to the car, drove back to work quickly because I had a 12:30 and then a 1 o'clock and then a 2 o'clock. And I didn't get a chance to stop and eat. Left work around 3:30, got home, grabbed Remy, took him out for a walk, cleared my head, walked for about a mile or so, got back, hung out with Lady Darb for just a minute, and then got down here to get all of the stream stuff set up. Because it takes me, I like to try to get here and just chill and be quiet, get the charts on, get all of my levels moved over to TradingView, check Financial Juice, kind of just get a replay of what the market did. Of course, the market's opening all about that same time too. I was also trying to listen to the boot camp. It was just a lot going on. I haven't really eaten anything today. That's the whole point. I'm hungry, but feeling good besides being hungry. I do have an actual good protein bar. I don't have to dig through my bag like a little rat searching for a Cheeto tonight. I actually have a legitimate protein bar I can eat. And then Lady Darb said she was going to bring me some dinner in a minute. I don't know what she's going to bring me, but I'm looking forward to it. Whatever it is, I will take it and love it and shove it in my mouth. Emergency bag of Doritos and Skittles. So normally I would say yes, that's a great idea, but I really am trying to be disciplined, which is a lot about why I put that poll up right now. The poll in the chat on your way in. What's the hardest thing for you to do right now? Staying disciplined, believing in yourself, feeling hopeful about the future, or silencing negative thoughts. Someone even said all of the above should be an option. I could only do 4 options. That's the most I could do. So, oh, that's really good. Oh, it's so good. Oh, this is like the first real food I've had today. And I don't even know if a protein bar is considered real food, but it sure tastes good. Mike says, Darb, you got a GQ face, but a good housekeeping body. I can tell those abs are going to be banging soon with your discipline. You'll be able to wash clothes on this washboard pretty soon. Don't you worry about it. Oh, man. No excuses for being lame tonight. That's right. Maybe I just need to stay on the stream like an extra 2 hours tonight to make up for the horrible show last night was. Maybe. Oh, Fraser, you're working on that summer bob? Yeah. Just pull an all-nighter. We may need to save the all-nighter for the birthday show because we got so many accounts to give away. Oh, and Flashy, so I wake up every day like it's between 6 and 6:30. Like it's just, when you get old, your body just wakes up. There's nothing you can do about it. You can't stop it. You can't control it. Even as tired as I was last night, I still wake up at the same time every day. Unless I have to get up really early and then I'll have to set an alarm. But otherwise, it's always like right between 6 and 6:30. I'm just naturally waking up. Sometimes it's the dogs coming in and licking my hand or whatever. Sometimes I just wake up because the sun starts coming in through the windows. You know, you never know. Oh. Welcome to night 2 of Birthday Week Bonanza, baby. Birthday Week Bonanza going strong. Gave away 5 accounts last night. We got 5 more to give away tonight. We have, what do we have? We have 2 Lucid Flex accounts, and we have 3 My Funded Future Flex accounts. Hey. So, more bangers. More bangers. All right. I gotta chew. Get it down, swallow it, and then we can keep going. Happy early birthday. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. We're about 48 hours away. 48 hours away from the big day. It's going to be amazing. I can't wait. Oh, the birthday invite image was great. Yeah. I loved it. It was fantastic. It's going to be great. All right. What's up, Adam? Brad's shirt is the classic. It's a great shirt. Well, it's just a good old gray heavy cotton t-shirt, you know? It's just super comfortable. Goes with anything. All right. Here is the oh wait. Neil Lockheed says we can do one thing today. Every giveaway, the winner chooses the prop firm. Yeah, I don't care. That's fine with me. I'll let you pick from the two options. You can either have a Lucid or you can have a My Funded Futures until they're gone. I have 2 Lucid, 3 My Funded Futures. I don't care. If you guys want to pick them, you can pick them. That's totally cool with me. It's my birthday. I can do what I want to. All right. Here is Brad's breakdown of how Brad got his ass kicked today. And I got to turn the music down. It's time to get real talk. Time to get some real talk up in here, guys. I have suffered for the last, at least probably the last week and a half. I have suffered from what's called hot hand fallacy. The hot hand fallacy is that you believe that when you're on a win streak that it's never going to lose, it's never going to end. And you begin to convince yourself of things that aren't true, such as, you know what you're doing, you're good, you just win trades, you can go heavier here, don't worry, you'll work it out, it's going to be fine. You know, you start loosening up your rules, you just start doing dumb stuff. And I know all of you have been there. I've had a strong, very strong 6-week run, taking out over almost $13,000 in payouts from Lucid. I've had my accuracy has been extremely high. And after a strong 6-week run of just really killing it, the market has reminded me that I am nothing. I am just a peon. I am dust in the wind. My brain started sabotaging me, and it's the same crap that gets most of us probably. You start kind of developing this like quiet arrogance. It's not like a loud, boastful arrogance, but it's like this just very subversive, I deserve to win, I'm due for another big day. It's the hot hand fallacy. And on top of that, I have been extremely busy. I was extremely tired last night. That plays into some of the fatigue as well. But then I even recognized what was happening in the moment, and I still couldn't stop it. And instead of like respecting the process, I started forcing trades. I started looking at setups that were not good setups and basically convincing myself that they're good setups. And then comes the revenge trading and one loss turns into 3 and 3 turns into 5, and then resetting accounts, and you got to make it back today, and you got to get on the stream and show everybody that you passed more evals or you've made more progress on your funded account or you're ready for a payout, and you start ignoring your rules, you start sizing up, and you start just chasing price like a damn degenerate. Worst part, again, I knew it. I knew it, but the amygdala hijack, I couldn't overcome it today. The brain was overpowered by emotion. Discipline was set aside. And I got my butt kicked up and down and sideways. And I went from this confident, process-driven, discipline trading to emotional and desperate like that. And it's brutal. It's absolutely brutal. And every time I feel like, oh, I've put that monster to rest. I've buried that monster. I've thrown dirt on it. It's not coming back. I still find myself in positions where it rears its ugly head up and reasserts its power into my decision making, and it just kills me. So radical honesty, radical candor. That's why I'm here, transparent through the whole process. I now only have one funded account. My 25K flex that I've taken 3 payouts on. It's still alive. It made its minimum $100 day today. It was like $185 a day on it today. So it's still alive and still kind of moving towards a 4th payout. I lost the 50K funded account. I lost the Top Step valuation. I lost the funded Rapid account. And I reset a new eval over here and blew it up too. And by that point, I was like, okay, what the hell are you doing? Stop it. So all I have right now, only thing on the books for me, my 25K flex. I'll show you what I have on the books. 25K flex funded account. This was today. I need to get $100 today, Tuesday's trading day, Wednesday's trading day, Thursday's trading day. It would be available for its 4th payout if I can remain disciplined and focused and lock in. And then I have 2 new flexes. I had reset one. I bought one, reset, YOLO'd. I don't even know why. Just did it because I was pissed. Lost it, reset it. So I have 2 flexes. That's where I'm at. That's where it is, man. Like, and I now that I only have the one funded account, I will, and because I just had a just stupid, horrible decision making in my trading decisions today. I need to size down. I need to go back and just get back to the wise, smart, patient trading that set me up for 6 weeks of incredible trading. Just getting back to where I don't think too highly of myself. And I'm saying all of this because you guys have been riding with me through this, and you've seen from the beginning, and you've seen the climb up to the top, and now you're seeing kind of this like little valley of trading process of where I'm at right now. And so it's like a struggle bus for me. But I'm still here. I'm still fighting. I'm still learning just like you guys are. I'm still moving forward. I'm not depressed. I'm upset at the way that I handled myself today, but I'm not going to beat myself up for it. And it's just time to get back to clean trading. It's just time to get back to clean trading. So that was my mental health check on myself today. And it's kind of a mental health check for everyone here in chat. If you're struggling with that, if that's kind of what you're going through right now, or if you can relate to any of that, You don't need to beat yourself up over it. There's nothing you can do about it. If you make mistakes, you make mistakes. It just shows that you're human. And our brains are wired to sabotage ourselves, and especially when you come to the markets. It's a very, very difficult emotional jungle to navigate. The waters are rough. The rapids are huge. And there is danger around every corner. So that was my day today. I have many, many fallen soldiers to commemorate and apologize to, because it was completely my fault. And the general was crazy and lost all sense of reality and did not accept losing as an option. And he just made the losing worse. So that was my trading day today. Blowing up evals, losing 2 funded accounts. And here's the stupid thing about it, guys. And I just told you how busy my day at work was. I just literally told you how busy my day at work was. And I was doing all of this while trying to stay engaged with meetings, some of them which I was leading, some of them I was just participating in and had to kind of pay attention and give input to. So ultimately, probably both jobs sucked. And it was just very, very poor decision making across the board on my part today. So the day is done. The day is over. It's a brand new trading day. I am going to not let what happened yesterday come into today's trading session. I'm going to size down to 1 or 2 micros on these evals until I can have 2 or 3 more funded accounts rolling in. This was the process from the beginning is unless I have multiple funded accounts that are close to or making payouts, I go back to a very conservative approach on the evaluations. And so that's where I'll be tonight, sizing down, just being extremely patient, not trying to find a trade to take, but waiting for the trades to get to my levels and whatnot. And that's where we're going to go from tonight. So I don't know how much I'm going to trade tonight. I don't know how much you're going to trade tonight, but I hope that we become better traders over the course of this show, whether we put on a position or not. So that's what I'm doing. Birded out golf. Oh, bird out golf. That's probably not going to happen. I did that all day today. Most of us can't pass an eval. You're a champ. Well, I haven't passed any. Well, I guess I did pass an eval yesterday. I passed that rapid eval yesterday. So I am still. Oh, I know you are. I know you're kidding. I get the joke. I have a sense of humor. It's all good. It's just, win or lose. Trading, you're going to lose. You have to be okay with losing. I am very okay with losing. What I'm not okay with is breaking my own rules and trading in ways that I know is detrimental to my future. That's what I'm not okay with, and that's what happened today. And so here's ES levels right here, guys. I'll have the ES levels up on the screen for you. You're right. SKDI trader, you versus you. And I'm still here, and I'm still fighting. I'm not giving up. And I don't even sure you're talking about the lower time frame. I don't even use time frames. Time frames I don't even take time frames into consideration when I'm in my New York trading session, especially. I just trade levels. I just trade high volume pivot levels. Currently, the only high volume pivot level we have to trade from right now is dynamic hedge pressure. We're the only other high volume pivot level that you typically see in the Asia session is the previous day high and the previous day low. So I'll be interested to see. The only I know this isn't a rocket scooter level, but this has been part of my trading process for a long time. Is the previous day high and lows being high volume pivots as well. So we'll see if price gets up here. If it starts rejecting, maybe there's an opportunity to short. But otherwise, I'm just going to wait for either a dip down to hedge pressure. Here's the levels for your. There is a bunch of very high volume pivots at near lower DD band on NQ. You have monthly hedge pressure. You've got a yellow line, and you have DD band down there. But price just opened tonight and ripped above hedge pressure, and it's held above the QQQ close as well. So this market's still bullish. If you were in the live boot camp, I didn't get to listen to the entire live boot camp session today, but it was just a great reminder about how markets just continually over time move higher, and even if they do come down a little bit, they quickly reverse. And so the other great reminder for me from the boot camp, the little bit of the boot camp that I was able to hear tonight, was the discipline. You have to stay disciplined. Discipline is the number one key to finding success long term as a day trader. No other way around it. That is the probably biggest foundation to your trading success is, can you stay disciplined? Discipline in your approach, discipline in your position sizing, discipline in your trade management, discipline in your stop loss, accepting losses, taking profits. Discipline across the board is the key to the game. And so, hearing Matt talk about that in the boot camp again tonight was just a great reminder for me to look back over what the reason I've had success is because of stuff like this. This is my 25K flex account. I've taken 3 payouts on it on my way to a 4th. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 days in a row of consistency. And that's a beautiful picture of discipline. And there's a reason that this was the first account that I traded this morning, and I got it locked in. And every account that I traded after this, I could feel myself losing control as time went on. And if I had stayed consistent with here, I probably would have just taken a couple of losses, had a small red day on a couple of accounts. And instead, I had a huge red day across multiple accounts. So discipline is the key. Patience pays. We're going to just sit on our hands and wait. We're going to size down. We're going to practice patience. And we're going to have fun doing it, man. We're going to have a good time doing it. We're going to give away some accounts. We're going to give away some boot camps. We're going to listen to some good music. We're going to laugh, joke, roast each other, and just all around for a good time. I'm not beating myself up. Yeah, please don't hear anything I'm saying as thinking I'm beating myself up. I am not beating myself up. I beat myself up all I needed to earlier today. I had a little come to Jesus talk in the mirror, a little face to face, a little you versus you conversation. You know what would be good right now? I think this would be a really good time just to listen to that song and be reminded. No time to stall. I'm sprinting. Let's just take a minute. We'll listen to this, and then we'll have our moment to memorialize. It's you versus you. I need this right now, so it's my show. I want to listen to it. Yeah, I've been here before. Yeah, I know this place. Where the doubt gets loud and I lose my pace. Where I start strong, but I fade too fast. Let the moment slip, let it all collapse. Yeah, tried to outrun what I didn't face.
Kept looking around, trying to shift the blame, but the truth cuts clean when the lights go low. It's the man in the mirror I don't outgrow. Every second is a line I draw. Every action shows me who I am. I could fall back into who I was, or fight for who I said I am. It's you versus you. Only one to blame when it all falls through. It's you versus you. Every step, every trade, every single move. Stand up, don't fold, don't let it consume. No one in the fight, just you in the room. It's you versus you. It's you versus you. Yeah, I felt that way, yeah. I've held that loss, paid the price of letting discipline get lost. Watch my focus crack under pressure in time. Let emotion take what was never mine. But pain don't stay if you make it teach. If you lean in close instead of out of reach. Every scar's a map if you read it right. Every wrong step still points to the fight. No more hiding from what I know. No more breaking the code I wrote. If I want that life I see ahead, then I live these words or I live misled. It's you versus you. Only one to blame when it all falls through. It's you versus you. Every step, every trade, every single move. Stand up, don't fold, don't let it consume. No one in the fight, just you in the room. It's you versus you. It's you versus you. Show up when you don't feel ready. Show up when the weight gets heavy. You show up when you're barely steady. You show up when you've got nothing left. Just show up again and again and again. Just show up again and again and again. It's you versus you. Only one to blame when it all falls through. It's you versus you. Every step, every trade, every single move. Stand up, don't fold, don't let it consume. No one in the fight, just you in the room. It's you versus you. It's you versus you. It's you versus you. At the end of it all, it was always you.
It's you versus you, baby, man. That's what it's all about right there. That's where it that's everything it comes down to. Your success, your failure, it's on these shoulders right here. On these shoulders right here. Dan had a great comment in the chat. If you're not reading the chat, Dan's great comment. It says, success is never owned. It's only leased, and rent is due every day. And that is exactly the whole point of that song, man. You versus you. It's me versus me. Today, the bad me won. But I take full responsibility for it. It wasn't anybody else's fault. I was pushing the buttons. I was making the decisions. They were very poor. It sucks to lose 2 funded accounts. It sucks to lose 3 evaluations all on the same day. And so because of that, we like to pause and remember and salute. Gone but not forgotten.
They answered the call. When the setup formed, they stepped forward. They took the risk, and they held their ground. They executed their orders with courage, without fear, without hesitation, without complaint. They did not chase glory. They served the mission. And today, they have fallen, stopped out, breached, closed at the edge of the margin. But make no mistake, they did their job. They followed the plan. They faced the volatility. They stood in the fire so we can learn. The loss was a teacher. The pain was a warning. This is the fight for discipline, for mastery. And we do not forget those who paid the price. We rise wiser. We continue the mission. The objective remains. And tomorrow, we trade smarter. We stand stronger. To the accounts that fell in battle, we salute you.
We salute you. And you saluted us and walked out, and you knew we were going crazy. You know those soldiers, you know those movies when the soldiers get their orders and they look at their like commanders, their generals, whoever's getting the orders, and they're like, this guy's nuts. Are we going to follow these orders? If we follow these orders, it's a suicide mission. And they do it anyway. That was kind of the vibe some of my accounts did. They looked at me like that today. They knew it was the end and they didn't care. It's like, all right, here we go. They knew it was the end. They didn't care. If you like the music and you want to listen to any of those songs, my Suno playlist is in the description of this video. There's a link to my Suno playlist in the description of this video. You can get all of the music that we're listening to there tonight. All the songs. We'll probably stop and go to the song submission channel at some point, but right now we're just going to play these. Ian LeBeau says, you're new here, love your demeanor, wish I could trade with you all day. Well, thanks, man. I appreciate that. I am not a full-time day trader. I hope to be sometime this year. I hope that is the reality that can become something I've been chasing for a long time now. And I feel like it's within reach. This is the first time I've actually felt like, hey, this could be the year that everything just kind of lines up, and this could be the year where that actually happens. I'm not like banking on it, and I'm not like, I would love to see it happen, but you know, we're still a ways away from that. But I think sometime later this year, it's a very real possibility. I could be trading, have no more 9 to 5, or at least maybe just a part-time something, and trading is the main thing, and maybe there's just a small part-time something. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I wish I had more time to trade the New York session just completely focused and isolated. I have to kind of steal time right now to do that, and it's not ideal, but it works, and I'm making it work, and it's tough. And if you guys have jobs that like you're out and you're about, and it's like if you can't just sit and focus, and lock in, man, it's hard enough when you're at the screens and you can lock in. You add in the whole pressure of having a whole nother job and responsibilities to do in the morning or during the day. Whew, there's a lot of pressure, man. A lot of pressure. Justin, just for fun, how much payout have you cashed out last month? Well, I'll show you right here, buddy. These are my Lucid payouts from April 1st till the beginning of May. Almost $13,000 from the Lucid accounts right here. And all of these except one are 25K accounts. These are small accounts that I made almost $13,000 off last month. I make most of my profits in the New York session. I typically am only trading evals in the Asia session just so I can have something to trade on the stream. I typically don't want to trade my funded accounts in the Asia session, especially recently when I haven't been around any really like high volume pivot levels from the Rocket Scooter platform. Most of my trading and profits and all of the payouts and all of the reason I've been able to do that this last month was because I could lock in the New York session and trade, and had great success with it. And now I'm just kind of hitting that rough patch that you go through where you'll win for 6 weeks and then you'll suck for 2 weeks. So Atomic Trader, you remodel houses all day, juggle morning trading, and can't wait to get home to trade in the evenings. Yeah, it's hard, man. It's so hard. It's so hard. You constantly fight that pressure of feeling like you're missing out when you're working. You feel like, man, I know that there's probably good setups right now, and I'm out here grinding to pay my bills and make ends meet from paycheck to paycheck. And I can't just sit and trade, and I know I could probably get it done a lot faster. And you start playing all kinds of head games with yourself. Ian LeBlue, I trade in the New York session. I strictly trade the Rocket Scooter platform. So it's risk intervals, DD bands, the new day opening gap. It's monthly hedge pressure. It's bull zones, bear zones, weekly hedge pressure. I use resilience indicators to help me identify where all those pivots are. I use my liquidity maps and monthly maps. So in the New York session, I'm strictly relying on Rocket Scooter. That's it. This is the platform and the trading education that took me from a break-even trader a year ago to consistently having months like I just had with Lucid. That's it. So in the evening, in the Asia Globex session, we don't have all of the main power tools that we have. We have our overnight levels, which are very good levels to trade from. Recently, they haven't really been anywhere near where price action is for the Asia session, and so I have been taking trades from different places based on different trading strategies outside of Rocket Scooter. And for a while, I was having really great accuracy doing that. And then the last week and a half, I have not had very good accuracy doing that. So, yeah, even after today, I'm still extremely far ahead for the month. Even in May, I mean, I've already taken almost $3,000 in payouts in May. So I'm still very far ahead of the game on a return on investment standpoint from evals to payouts. So it's unfortunate that I had another just crappy day. I had a chance to really set myself up for a really great month, and now I'm going to have to kind of claw back for about a week or so to get back to a position to try to end the month strong. And I've gone back to the 25K accounts. I think going to the 50Ks and sizing up a little bit also, I think, messed with my head. I've had so much success with the smaller 25K accounts, and I'm very used to that position sizing and the way it moves. And I think trying to size up and jump up to 50Ks and 150Ks messed with my head a little bit as well. I know it shouldn't. I'm just telling you that's the mental part of how I've been trading. And so I'm going back to the bread and butter that got me to where I have been. It's like, why change it if it's working? You know, don't break it if it's working. Lucid does have a rhythmic option. Yes, I believe they do. Like if you go, I'll show you. If you go to add an account, and let's say you go to the Flex, you can select your platform. Yeah, they've got a rhythmic. They got TradeC, Motive Wave, Quant Tower, and probably some others. I use the Ninja Trader one, but they do have TradeC and Motive Wave and the other rhythmic account, rhythmic data feed. J. Cole, what's up, man? You appreciate hearing about my tough time trading? Well, I'm glad that I feel like it can be relatable. I've told you guys from the beginning, from day one of the stream, almost 4 months now. I am here to show you the process. I am not a full-time trader, and so that means on my learning curve, even though I may be a little bit further down the road than some of you are, I'm still in that learning curve. I'm still in that process of becoming a pro, I guess is the best way to say that. So, and even as good of a month that I've already had that you've seen, I can still fall into the trap like anybody else and just have an absolute crappy trading session. So typically when I'm trying to build funded accounts like this, I only have one funded account. These I will trade with probably 3 micros max, 1 to 3 micros max on the 25Ks. If I have like 3 or 4 funded accounts, then I will be a little bit more aggressive on the evaluations and go to like 3 to 6 micros or even higher, depending on the situation and the setup. So, but because I only have the one funded account right now, I'm going to trade these evaluations a little more conservatively to get me back into a more funded accounts moving forward. JM says you were using Apex, funded 10 times and only took 1 payout. That's not uncommon, man. That's a very common JM. That's a very common story, and that's a very common scenario. When I first started trading futures, I moved over from Forex to futures. I started with Top Step and Apex because they were marketing the heaviest and they were the only ones that I really knew anything about. Never got a payout from Top Step. I got multiple payouts from Apex, but it took me a long time. I probably went through the same. I probably went through 30 evals before I got my first payout. The intraday trailing drawdown, I still have not figured it out, and I still have not. And today I was also thinking, after I kind of settled down, because if you guys remember yesterday, I had a 50K rapid account, my funded futures rapid account, 50K. And if you'll remember, I did that so that it has the intraday trailing drawdown. And today I tried to use again the brute force method, where you just try to go heavy on a position and try to clear your buffer in one swing, hit a home run basically on one swing. And that's the second time I've tried that method. The other times I've always done base hits. When I was using Apex back in the day, like almost 3 years ago, it was a base hit method, and it took me forever, but it did finally get to payouts a couple times. So maybe I go back to the base hit method. But I'm also like, dude, there's so many accounts. I can make money with these 25K flex accounts where there's no consistency on the funded side, and there's no intraday trailing drawdown on the funded side. I mean, why? If that's what works for me, that's what I should trade. If intraday trailing drawdown accounts don't work for me, I shouldn't take it personally and say, "Oh, well, you're just not a good trader if you can't pass intraday trailing drawdown accounts. You're not going to be able to, you don't have that badge to put on your shirt that you got to pay out from an intraday trailing drawdown account, What the hell kind of thought process is that? If I have something that works, I should do that thing. I shouldn't try to convince myself that if I want to be a pro, I should be able to do that. It's bullshit. Jennifer says you got a funded TPT 150K that you passed the evaluation on, but you're scared to start the funded because of intraday. I mean, Jennifer, I can't give you financial advice, obviously, but if I was going to do it again, I would just go in and I would set a bracket order so that every time I got into a position, it would automatically set a very short take profit, and that it would be a limit order so that once price reached that limit order, it would be stopped out and my max drawdown would be locked in after a win. And my stop loss would just be whatever my stop loss is, like whatever you're willing to risk per trade. So don't be scared of it. I'm not really scared of it. It's just more of a frustration that isn't in the real world. It doesn't exist in the real world. Like, the real world of trading, intraday trailing drawdown is a complete made-up concept for prop firms. That's not a concept in any other world of trading and actual real prop firms. That doesn't exist. The only reason that it's attractive to me right now as a day trader and trading with prop firms, the intraday trailing drawdown accounts give you the largest payouts possible and daily payouts. So you can take daily payouts and they give you the largest amount possible to take out. So that's the main reason that I have an interest in trying to defeat them, if you know what I mean. My main interest in defeating those types of accounts is so that I could get daily payouts. I could get a larger amount in a payout. So that is the kind of behind the scenes thinking in my mind of why I do want to keep attempting them. I'm just not going to put a lot of effort into that. I'm going to put effort into what works for me. I'm going to put effort and energy into locking in the things that I can consistently build on and take, out $1,000 a week a couple times. Dinner text. So excited. My trade plan here is probably take a small position at hedge pressure. This was a really weird trading day. It was very choppy. So here was the open right here. Very choppy up and down. This kicked my butt all morning. And my butt was kicked by the afternoon. I didn't take anything. Like, I did all of my stupid stuff inside of this mess right here. So this is the market that absolutely slapped me around today. Opened, sold off, retested open, bought, sold off, bought again. Like, huge. This is a crazy, just very choppy 190 point range back and forth. Finally in the afternoon, pushes higher, sells off into the early afternoon, pushes back up to all-time highs, sells off again. It feels a little toppy to me, but I've said that so many times in this bull run, it's like I don't even know what to think about it anymore. And every time I think I've got it figured out, I'm going to go long on this dip, that's when it drops 200 points out of nowhere. So it's still a little frustrating to me trying to pick the bottom to try to go long on. I feel like the times that I've tried to just go long, those are the ones that end up reversing, and then you get mad, and then you try to short that, and then it reverses and does go long, and then you get mad, and you just get chopped up. That was it, man. That's the definition of getting chopped out of the market. And if you look at the Rocket Scooter platform, look at resilience was even choppy. Like, resilience was even all over the place. Like, it was negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, flat, positive, negative, positive. Like, resilience was all over. It was even hard just to get a read from our confluence indicators on what direction was to go, what direction the market wanted to go overall. And so it was a tough day for me, man. It was a very tough day for me. And I paid the price, paid the price on it. Coming into the Asia session, or coming into the Tokyo session here at 7 o'clock, I don't know if I'm going to take HP here. ESHP, they're both coming back down to HP here. I think I want to wait. How do you access the Rocket Scooter platform? You go to rocket.place/Matt. You can find a link in the description of the video if you want to check out the tools. We just started day 1 of our 20-day boot camp today. And it was a banger, of course. I'll put it in the chat for you. If you want to get either the boot camp or you would like to try out the Rocket Scooter platform itself, you can go to that link and give it a shot. Never tried a prop firm, but you'd put 500 into a live account and lost it all today. Definitely stung. Yeah, so this is the beautiful part about prop firms, Sinful, is you could have taken that $500 and you could have bought your first 5 purchases on these 25Ks are $60, I believe, or even if it's 70. You could have bought, like 7 25K flex accounts, and for that same $500, and you would have had 7 chances to get funded. You could have gotten maybe 1 or 2 of them funded at least, and then you could have gotten a payout of $1,000 after about 5 days, just like all of these. So that's the beautiful part of trading with prop firms, is that you can take a little bit of your own money instead of putting that little bit of money into a personal account. You can spread it out over multiple small purchases and give yourself multiple shots on goal to score. And you might end up losing all of it that way, but you may have a better, especially if you're new to trading, you may have a better chance of getting a bigger return on your investment trading prop firms. All right, here's the 7 o'clock hour coming in, getting a little sell off here. As that's what I was kind of anticipating. Question is HP going to hold here, or are we going to get a little bit of selling pressure? If it follows the New York session, it makes sense that you could still see a pretty choppy trading session here. We'll just watch it and see. I'm not going to jump into a long just right off of it. Kind of want to see I'd like to see how just kind of the first 5 minutes or so plays out. I'm going to be very patient with this. We publicly launched Prop Score today, guys, by the way. I forgot to mention that already. Prop Score is officially live and launched out to the entire world. This is our little baby that we've been working on for several months now. Building out a credit score for prop firms' website. It's a data-driven market. It's a math-based formula that produces a score for every prop firm and every prop account that those prop firms are trading with. If you haven't checked it out, propscore.co is the website. You're going to want to make this part. When you talk about discipline and you talk about being disciplined as a trader, you're going to want to go to PropScore every single day to see what sales are available and how it's affected the scores of the accounts that you need to be trading. We have so many firms included now and all of their accounts included in here now. Every single one of them ranked. Every single one of them has their own score, and you can go in and filter it out and put in your own trading statistics right here. What's your evaluation pass rate? What's your payout? How many funded accounts does it take to get a payout? What's your win rate when you're trading? What's your risk reward ratio? And when you put all of this information in, it's going to spit out the firms and the accounts that you should probably consider to trade with. So definitely go check that out. We'll be pulling that up here just a little bit when we get to our first giveaway, which, by the way, you need to smash that like button. We need to get to 400 likes to start the giveaway train. So smash that like button. We got about 580 people watching the show right now. But we've only had 187 people smash the like button. So go ahead and get that going, guys. Smash that like button. Let's get it up to 400 likes. And then we'll be able to start the giveaway, the birthday week giveaway bonanza. Birthday week bonanza. ES is holding above HP here. Retested the Asia Open. Doesn't look like it wants to try to sell off. NQ trading below and retesting Asia Open here. Holding below. And MHP looks so chunky down here, doesn't it? MHP just is look, it's like calling, it's like whispering, saying, hey, come on down here. Come say hi. I would love to see price come down to MHP. The question is it a possibility to plan a short off of the break of hedge pressure lower? Man, look at that. Dump it, baby. Dump it, baby. Nah, Jocko Mako, it's not too much diagnosis. This is just me after having a trading session that I've had. I'm just being extremely patient. And I'm getting back to what produced the success and not being trigger happy, so to speak, I guess is the best way to say that. I think for ES could size up to 3-ish. Oh no, I don't want 10. Got it over here. Sorry. Potentially, I'm thinking here. And we could target these lows or at least monthly hedge pressure down here. I think Trump is supposed to be having a press conference tonight or something too, so. If Trump tweets, it'll continue to go up. It depends on what he tweets, man. You never know with that guy. You never know with that guy. That guy tweets stuff all the time. You just never know. Talking about how much winning we've been doing. Yeah, we've been winning so hard that we're still in a war that won't end. Am I ready to get older? Always, baby. Always. Yeah, VIX did close right on top of Triple B today. So it's very possible you could see some downward pressure here. Man, that's a That's a sniff of a wick if I ever saw one. That's a sniff of a wick if I ever saw one. I'm fading you? Oh, hey, if you've learned anything, Kyle, over the last week and a half, when Brad's in a losing streak, fading Brad is often the best answer. Took a long off of HP. Taking the overshoot. Could be, man. It feels... It feels... And I said this last night, too, in last night's stream. It felt... Where's last night's stream? This is last night's stream, right? Yeah. When I was exhausted. Every time it kept creeping up, especially when NQ were kind of fighting against each other, it just felt weird. It felt very sus to me last night. And ended up selling off. And I had two positions on that would have ended up being in profit last night. I don't know. It just feels sus to me again. And I know it's a very bullish market. And I'm not talking about sus, bullish. I'm not saying that we're going to turn bearish at all. It's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying that in the evening session, there's something about it that just feels like it needs to be choppier down for the first few hours of the session. So, but yeah, the blind monkey strategy. I mean, it's just put on a trade. What's up, Papa Les? It's just put on a trade. I do not use the opening range breakout. No, I'm very familiar with it. I used to use it quite a bit. But I don't anymore. If we won the boot camp, is there any way we can get the levels? No. You have to pay for the Rocket Scooter platform subscription to be able to get the levels. The boot camp only gives you access to the boot camp videos. That's it. That's all you get. Man, I got sniffed. I sniffed that wick so hard. I sniffed it so hard right there. It smelled so good, too. First month is 50% off. It's not free. First month of the Rocket Scooter platform is 50% off, $99. And then every month after that, there is a permanent discount applied. It's $159 a month. Each month going forward, unless you pay for the lifetime subscription. That's super unfortunate. Very unfortunate. I'm going to wait just one more little bit here and see if I can get one more retest. It doesn't look like it's going to give it to me, sadly. Hate to try to chase a short here. I'd rather get my entry, and if I don't get my entry, just be chill. We'll hit 74.30 and we'll reverse back. Yeah, it could, man. It could. What you have to do is not, I think what we get guilty of as traders a lot of times is thinking that the market is going to do what would cause us the most damage. And when you get, it's like, you know, when you get hurt so much from doing the same thing over and over, you start to associate that every time you take that action, you're going to get hurt again. And that's just human psychology. And we try to apply that to trading, and it's going to cause more damage. The market, the last trade has no impact on your next trade unless you're just if you're breaking your rules and making poor trading decisions, then yes, it could affect your next trade because you could get into a snowball effect and making poor decisions. But if you're trading your trading strategy with a high level of execution and a very good discipline, there's going to be trades that win, there's going to be trades that lose. That's it. And it's any one trade that you take has no bearing on the next trade you take as long as you're following your plan. and you're letting your edge play out over time. And there's going to be variance, statistical variance in your edge. Even if your edge has a winning percentage of 70%, there's going to be 30% of the time that you lose, and you don't know if those 30% are going to come in one big bunch or not. You just don't know. So you have to take your trades and you have to take your position every time your edge is present. That's it. That's all you can do. If you guys didn't hear, TPT is running a massive sale right now, 50% off. They hardly ever run sales. Take Profit Trader is the number 2 firm in prop score. My Funded Futures is number 1. Take Profit Trader is 9.9. The 25K Take Profit account you can get for $75 right now. You can get up to a $10,000 payout. You can get daily payouts. It does have that intraday trailing drawdown on the funded side. Take Profit is a goated firm. This is a goated account. If you use code Rocket Scooter at checkout, you can get it for 50% off right now for $75 all in on the 25K Take Profit account. Make sure you use code Rocket Scooter when you're checking out for that. But I'm going to pick up probably a few of those this week because, like I said, I'm going to keep taking stabs at the intraday accounts. I'm going to try to keep taking stabs at it. The Rapid account with My Funded Futures and the test account with Take Profit Trader, I'm going to try to keep taking small stabs at them. My main concern right now is getting back up and getting 2 or 3 funded accounts with Lucid back in the farm system, so to speak, and then we'll go from there. All right, first 15 minutes of the 8 o'clock hour is about to wrap. Would like to see just a little pullback here, back up towards HP, back up to the Asia Open, retest that, and then continue to make lower lows here. That's what I'm hoping for. Get my limit order triggered in. So this is what I'm looking for. The 15-minute candle's about to close right here. I don't use time frames, but I do use them only in reference that I know that, how candles build themselves out. So what I'm hoping for right here, little stab back up, retest Asia Open, retest hedge pressure, tap in my little 3 micro, and then we're off to the races down here to these lows. TPT Pro Reset, no, I don't have any codes for that. The $1,500 drawdown on the TPT accounts is really nice. It's one of the larger 25K drawdowns that you can get, 1,500. It's really nice. But you don't have to use those accounts. There's plenty of other really good accounts that don't have trailing drawdown. So if I put my, let's say just the minimum first payout, if I put my stats in here, I have about a 50% pass rate on evals. But let's just go say, let's say it's 30%, right? So it takes me 3 evals. Funded, let's say 2. My win rate right now is about 68%. My risk reward ratio is about 1.25. And I'm going to say 25K accounts because that's what I want to spend. I just want to focus on the 25Ks, and I want to look at simplicity, and I don't want to do anything that has daily loss limit or trailing drawdown. So OLA Prime Futures, if we look at it, $1,000 drawdown, $1,500 profit target, 40% consistency, no daily loss limit. The consistency drops. I don't really like that. I don't like having 40% consistency. Any consistency on funded isn't really great, but especially on, if it gets lower than what you had on your eval, that's not great. Take Profit Trader, trailing drawdown. Yeah, I'm going to stay away from that one. Aqua Futures, $70, code Mother's Day, $70, $1,000 drawdown, $1,300 profit target. No consistency, so you can pass in one day on Aqua Futures. I've never really heard of these guys. Max loss limit when you're funded actually goes up. That's cool. Max loss limit goes up when you're funded from 1,000 to 1,500. Your goal is to hit 1,600, no daily loss limit, and you have 40% consistency. So the consistency, again, not great, but it's not bad. And then, of course, Lucid Flex to me are goated. Drawdown, no consistency, no daily loss limit on funded. I'd like to find another option for that maybe. Funded Futures has that, but their loss limit is only 750. Don't really like that. Funded Next legacies are very similar to the Lucid. So 1K to 1,300, 40% consistency in their eval, no consistency, no daily loss limit. Funded Next might be a good opportunity for me. They're actually going to have some new accounts coming out tomorrow, by the way. Tomorrow morning, Funded Next is dropping brand new accounts. We're actually going to be giving some away. They're going to be called Flex accounts, Funded Next Flex accounts that they're going to be giving away. We're going to be giving away a bunch of those on stream tomorrow on every one of our shows, so stay tuned for that. But even the legacy accounts aren't bad there. Phoenix Trader, only 30% consistency. Don't like that. Blueberry Futures, 35% consistency. Alpha, daily loss limit. Tradeify, daily loss limit. Rapid. This is the goated account. This is the best account in the business. The MyFunded Futures 25K Rapid, $87 right now. It does have the intraday trailing drawdown. The TPT accounts are probably actually a little better because you can get them for $75 right now. And the MyFunded Futures is $87. TPT also gives you $1,500 drawdown instead of $1,000. So that's also a little bit better. So Apex, I just don't like Apex. Earn a trade, daily loss limit, daily loss limit, daily loss limit, daily loss limit. 40% consistent on Halcyon trade. I think the Lucid accounts for me are really the best options for me still. When I look through here at all these, they give me the best trading conditions to reach my payouts. So this is how you use it. You could find new accounts or new firms to trade with, and you use the filters, put in your own trading filters, put in your conditions, and boom. You don't have to guess anymore which accounts are actually going to be best for you to trade. You don't have to just listen to your favorite marketer. You can actually come in here and let the math point the ray forward. All right. I didn't get triggered in because I see nothing happening here. Man, this thing and letting me sniff some wicks tonight, that's just incredibly unfortunate. Well, I'm not going to chase it. I'm going to practice patience. I'm going to exercise discipline in this moment. I didn't get the price that I wanted. Sitting on my hands. Sniff buffet tonight, man. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks. I got to sniff 4 wicks tonight. Oh. We're almost at 300 likes. We're still 100 likes shy before we can. We have 5 accounts to give away, guys. We have 5 accounts. Do you not want free accounts? We have 5 ready to go, lined up. 2 Lucid, 2 My Funded Futures, both of them great accounts. And I don't know. I'm not feeling the love. Not feeling the love. Well, it was nice to see that my thesis was correct. My analysis was correct. My entry was off by 1 tick. I missed my entry by 1 tick. That's unfortunate. Good news is, if we continue to drop heavy, I will just buy down here at monthly hedge pressure, and I'll actually probably go a little heavier on that. Monthly hedge pressure is an every single time buy. Oh, shoot. I didn't mean to do that. Stop. Me and my fat fingers. Me and my fat fingers again, pushing buttons I didn't mean to push. I ain't chasing a short. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for monthly hedge pressure. That's what I'm waiting for. Yeah, better than my stop loss. Yeah, that's true. Sorry, Kyle. Sorry, Kyle. It's all right. You can be golden, baby. This is hedge pressure is lined up with the opening week gap, by the way, as well. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens. I do think, obviously, this wouldn't be out of the world. Don't think I'm crazy here. I don't think this is an insane analysis or comment I'm about to make. We're due for a pullback. You think? Look at the... I don't think it would be out of the realm of suggestion to say we're due for a pullback. This is the daily time frame. This is the weekly time frame. Call me crazy. Call me crazy. And by pullback, I mean a couple hundred points. I'm not even talking about like a 500 point pullback. I'm talking about like, give me like a 200 point pullback. You know? I think that makes sense. Captain Obvious, ladies and gentlemen. Call me crazy. Just people starting to, sellers finally kind of feeling it out and being like, hey, you know what? We've let the bulls have their parade. Maybe we can get a little bit of just a small smidgy of a retracement, just a small smidgy retracement, you know? You were crazy once. What's up, Trady? Yeah, ES, a 200 point on NQ would be like a 30 point pullback. Like a 30 or 40 point pullback on ES. It would feel like a massive retracement. Isn't that crazy? No, I know it can go higher. Dude, this is a bull market. 100% bull market. No doubt. It's going to go higher. I'm just saying. It could be due for a small pullback. That's it. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying, man. That's it. Right back into all this choppy chop over here. It's gonna take a lot of effort to move through this. I don't think you get I don't think you get an abrupt look at you can see all of the business being done in this area. So the likelihood that you get a very aggressive move to MHP is unlikely. It's gonna be very choppy back in this area. There's a lot of business to be done in here, and it's probably not finished. ES still could make an aggressive move to MHP here because most of its business was being done down here. And then here we got super volatile. VIX was above triple B. Volatility was introduced. And now we're back in the middle of that sloppy slop. All right, coming into the bottom of the hour here. I think this might be the longest it's taken us to get to 400 likes. We've been in an hour and a half, and we're still at 333 likes. And we still have 5 prop firm accounts to give away. We're almost halfway through the show, and we haven't given away 1 prop account yet. It's my birthday week bonanza. What's a guy got to do to get a thumbs up so I can give you some free stuff? I don't understand. Papalez is done for the night. Nice. Hey, thank you for the early birthday wishes. I do appreciate that. We got 48 hours till the big day. We're just warming up. That's it. Where's my dinner? That's what I'm wondering. Where's my dinner? Dinner is cooking. It's 7. I got that message at 6:57. 25 minutes. It should be on its way. I can't wait. I'm very, very hungry. I haven't eaten all day. Very, very hungry. Do I try another short? Do I put my limit order back on up there? What do you think? Do I put my limit order back up where it was? I missed the initial move. It would have given me just 5 points. Hey, 407. There we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. See? Just got to ask nicely. You got to be very clear in your expectations here. You've got to paint the picture, let people know what it is that their expectation is. It's you scratch my back, I'll give you free stuff. That's how it works. You scratch my back, you get free prop accounts. Man, I am going to take a stab here, short. See if we can get a push into these lows at the very least. A push into these lows would be nice. And then the next stop would be MHP. What's up, Papa Les? What you asking, man? I just saw you in the chat. I haven't been looking at all of the chats. How is it that most free evaluations get blown up repeatedly? Well, it's like a lottery ticket. You know what I mean? You go in, somebody gives you a free lottery ticket, or somebody gives you, like, you go to Vegas and somebody's like, hey, here's $100. You're like, this isn't my money. I didn't have $100 before this. I'm gonna go slap it down on roulette, black, bam, you know? Spin the wheel, baby. So I think most people treat free evaluations like lottery tickets. They treat it like, hey, this is a easy chance for me to just YOLO and I might get lucky. If I get lucky and I pass, cool. If I don't get lucky and I blow it up, no big deal, because I didn't even have that account yesterday and it cost me nothing. When people have no skin in the game, they tend to gamble more. They don't take it as seriously because there's no like mental attachment or personal attachment or financial attachment to it. And it's truly just put the full position on and hope you get lucky. Now, there are some people that look at it the opposite way, where they get a free account and they begin to really think about, oh man, this could be a game changer for me. This could be an opportunity for me to really, you know, move my trading career forward. And they trade it smartly and wisely and conservatively. We know people that have gotten free accounts that have gotten payouts on those things. So it's not everybody, but I do think the majority of people that win an account 100% treat it like a YOLO. So we'll see what happens there. All right. Giveaway schedule. Here we go. Monday, May 11th. Our first account we're going to give away. Oh, no. I said if you win, you can pick which account you want. So you have two options tonight. You can get a Lucid 25K Flex account. That is the account that I have traded live on the stream for the last 4 months. Lucid 25K Flex accounts. I've traded them exclusively right up here on my DOM. This is the account that you have seen me take almost $13,000 in payouts in the last 4.5 weeks. Great account. So that's option one. Option two is a My Funded Futures 25K Flex account. And if you want to look at it, it's very similar to the Lucid account. It has $1,000 drawdown, $1,500 profit target. You can pass in 2 days with 50% consistency. Then once you're funded, no daily loss limit, no consistency, just like the Flex accounts. So very, very similar. You can get My Funded Futures 25K Flex with code SCORE. You can get it for $80 right now. Great price. You can get the Lucid 25K Flex account with code SCORE for $70. Both great accounts. I will let the winner pick until they're gone. The winner can choose whichever account they want until they're gone, okay? So giveaway number one, we're gonna need. Where's my giveaway engine? Hold on, let me get my bot turned on here. Bot. Okay, cool, ready to go. What's our keyword tonight? Keyword for giveaway number one. Keyword for giveaway number one. What are we doing? OMG 51, maybe. Discipline. Oh, discipline maybe at birthday week. Patience is good. Too much flex. Also nice. Short to log. Boogers. Had enough. Dude, I like it. Matt's Reef, I like it. Discombobulated. 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 How do you spell discombobulated? How do you spell that? Discombobulated. Okay, that's it. Discombobulated. That's what I was today. Completely discombobulated. That's the keyword for giveaway number 1. Type it in. Discombobulated.
Entry, exit, risk of fine. Leave emotion off the line. If I'm wrong, I'm out, no fight. Small loss now keeps me alive. Small loss now keeps me alive. Chase, I don't hope, I don't beg for control.
Back up here into the Asia session open and back up retesting hedge pressure from underneath for like the second or third time here. Again, my original limit order was sitting right here. I'm considering taking a stab and adding in at 435. Also comfortable just letting this play out as it is, so. Oh, good song. Good song. Yeah. Let's go.
Lights low, world goes quiet. Different clocks, perfect timing. No noise, just decision. Feel the flow, no resistance.
Lady Darb.
In the silence, something moves.
Ooh.
Tells the truth.
These the bacon wrapped ones?
Hold on,
Oh.
let it breathe.
Oh my gosh. Look. Are you leaving? Why? Why don't you want to hang out with me? Are you okay? All right. Thank you for dinner. Love you. Look at that. We got bacon wrapped jalapeno stuffed chicken with a little side salad. That's what I'm talking about. These are some of the HEB ready meals. These are one of my favorites. These bacon wrapped. So they come on these little skewers and they're chunks of chicken breast wrapped in bacon with jalapeno and cream cheese. Oh my gosh, they're so good. Oh. Bacon on anything immediately elevates it to S tier. Whatever it is, whatever the food is, wrap it in bacon, immediate S tier.
No rush, no fear, just the plan.
Man, this is delicious.
Edge is there
It's probably because I haven't eaten anything all day.
if you wait for it.
What's your favorite kind of bacon? The one that's in your belly? I love my wife. There's nobody else on this planet that makes me happy and smile more just from her physical presence. She's amazing. She put together this whole salad. Went to the store, got all this, came home, cooked it, brought it to me from our apartment. What a freaking lady. Oh, so good. All right.
Yeah.
Let's get the spinny wheel up. Spinny wheel of names. You have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's also amazing to me, I always find no more entries. You can stop typing. Entries over. Entries are closed. Stop typing. Stop typing. You're going to get put in timeout if you keep typing. All right. What's also amazing to me is that we have almost 800 people watching the show, but only 300 people enter the giveaway. All right. You're going in timeout. Stop typing. Stop typing. I'm not spinning the wheel till you stop. You're not getting entries. Your names are on here. That's the bot is turned off. The bot is turned off. Stop typing. Stop. 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 All right, here we go. Here we go. We're giving away, the winner gets to pick either a Lucid 25K Flex account or a MyFunded Futures 25K Flex account. Shout out to Prop Score for hooking us up, doing their magic behind the scenes. Kyle, Farina, Pete, Diego, all those guys. Shout out to Lucid and MyFunded Futures for hooking us up on the birthday week bonanza. You guys go use code SCORE. And we're spinning. Winner is... Hey, let's go! Zill, baby, let's do it. Let's go, Zill. All right, Zill, you get to pick. Your choice, baby. Which one you picking? Funded next? No, Lucid. MyFunded Futures. You can pick Lucid or MyFunded Futures. Lucid. Boom. It's you, baby. Yeah. You got it. All right, let me put you in the winner's circle here. Lucid 25K Flex. Zill from Finland. All right, Zill, you know what to do. Go to Prop Score, Discord, and go to Claim Your Win channel. Good job, buddy. Guys, we have 4 more accounts to give away. 4 more accounts. 550 is our next target. We're at 470. Somebody just unliked it. Ungrateful. Oh, I'm Still Here's playing. Five 550. They get more expensive as we go. 550. Once we get to 550, we'll make it like every 50 after that, like 600, 650. We may just stop at 600. 600 is a good number. 550 is the next one, though. Will we get a little dumpy tonight? Are we a little top heavy finally? Are we going to get some kind of selling? I don't even know if I would call it selling pressure. Are we going to get some profit taking? And people are going to finally be like, you know what? Let's let it drop a little bit and then we'll just add back in. That's what I would do. And we can take advantage of it. What you do with my Oh man, she didn't leave me a napkin. Well, I guess I got to use my t-shirt to wipe my mouth. Yeah, we got CPI tomorrow. People are not getting, they're trying to just, if they are taking profits, they're taking profits. Heading into CPI, people trying to cover their butts. That means we can take advantage of it tonight. Short off of HP. Maybe we can get a dip down to MHP and ride it back up. Hey, Marco Musso. Thank you for being here, my friend. Appreciate your support of the channel. You can go tuck yourself. We'll see you tomorrow, man. Trader J. Stewie. HP stands for weekly hedge pressure. MHP stands for monthly hedge pressure. These are high volume pivots that were derived from the Rocket Scooter platform. And they're based on the maximum gamma exposure model for dealer hedged options. And its levels in the marketplace based on QQQ and SPY that dealers will be looking to hedge their option positions that they've sold to retail and institutions. It's just all math. They're just high volume pivots that we identified before the session began, where they will step in and you will see volume have a big uptick. They're extremely accurate. And it's not institutions like Papalez. I mean, it's institutions. It's not the small little birdies like us. Eating the scraps. Man, there is something special about eating a good meal, and a good healthy meal at that, when I haven't eaten all day. That was spectacular. Absolutely spectacular. You can get the playlist. It's in the description of this video. There's a link to all of these songs that I've made are in Suno, and you can get the link to my Suno playlist in the description of this video. KP Trade says the entire YouTube trading community can't move futures. We're along for the ride. Not only that, because most of the YouTube trading community is trading sim accounts. We're not even trading real accounts. Most of the people trading on YouTube are paper traders, me included. We can't move the accounts if we tried. Bacon wrapped birthday cake. Like I said, you can put bacon on anything and it immediately becomes S tier. I don't think there's any prop firms that do stock only funded accounts. In June, they are going to offer individual futures stock trading. So you're going to start seeing prop firms, I think, begin to offer that as an option to trade. Like you could trade Tesla futures, Nvidia futures, Microsoft futures, Apple futures, and you'll be able to trade those like a prop firm. Oh, we have some on Prop Score? Do we really? Who are they, Kyle? Earn to trade lets you do it after you pass. Very cool. All right, new hour about to roll over, heading into the 9 o'clock hour here. Like to see a lower low get made here, at least. Prop Shop offers stocks, but don't do it. Any options prop firm? I don't know, Mathematica. I'm not an options trader. I've never traded options. I don't really know that much about them. What's up, Zay? How you doing, babe? Warbucks allows you to trade stocks in a sim account. Yeah, Warbucks is a crypto. I thought Warbucks was a crypto prop firm. Was it not? Drew Bledsoe, what's going on, man? Haven't seen you in a minute. Populous is not yet. Vanquish offers options as a prop firm. Yeah, the Ninja Trader link is in the description of this video, but I'll grab it for you again here real quick and drop it in. There is the Ninja Trader Arena Cup link. There are still thousands of seats available, and I know not all of you have signed up for it yet, so if you would please do us a favor and sign up for the Ninja Arena Cup. It's 100% free, costs you nothing, and there's $250,000 in cash prizes. There are 3 different qualifying rounds. The first one starts next Monday. That's the one I'm going to be in. Heat 2 is a week after that, and then Heat 3 is a week after that. and then the championship round starts after that. If you win your qualifying rounds, you win $5,000. I think second place wins $1,000 or something like that. I think the first 100 traders, the top 100 traders in every qualifying round win something, some cash. And then if you win the whole thing in the championship round, you win $100,000. And then Prop Score is going to award prizes to the top prop score traders in the event. So the 10 best prop score traders will all win prizes as well. I'm in the first heat, the one with the most traders. If I could go back and redo it, I don't know if they will allow. Can I withdraw from the first heat and place myself in one of the others? Because there's not very many people in Heat 3 right now. That's going to give you the best competitive advantage. Is the one with the least amount of people. So I might move to Heat 3. You can't? Dang it. Yeah, so you will be able to use your max position size per instrument allowed to trade. So you can do 3 MNQ, you can do 3 MES, you can do like 1 gold, you can do like 1 or 2 oil, you can do like the euro dollar. You can do your max position size in each instrument allowed. So the way that we're going to do this is we'll give a little tutorial the night before on how to use the rules to your advantage. So that means instead of just trading one instrument, you're going to need to trade all the instruments that you can, and you're going to need to use a heavy position size on all the instruments that they allow. It's an 8-hour tournament. That's it. You have 8 hours. So you have to make as much money as you can in 8 hours. So the whole point of it is not necessarily how good of a trader you are overall. It's how good of a trader can you be that day and how lucky can you get that day. This is the qualifying rounds, I think, truly are who is going to be the luckiest trader, who can put max position sizes in each instrument and be right in most of those most of those trades. Those are the traders that are going to make the most money. So every time, yeah, it's completely encouraging degenerate gambling. Absolutely, it is a YOLO contest. No one is arguing that. If you're expecting to enter this 8-hour trading competition and show off your trading skills, then you're the one that's crazy. This is absolutely 100% an 8-hour gambling competition. So there are other trading competitions that go like 30 or 60 days to prove actually like long term whether you're a good trader or not. This is not that. This is not that at all. So the more people we can get into that competition, number one, there are going to be a bunch of people that sign up for these qualifying heats that never trade. They never open Ninja Trader. They never take a trade. So automatically just you're gonna be trading or competing against fewer people than are actually in the heat, because there's a lot of people that are gonna forget that it's happening that day, and they're just not gonna show up and trade. So the more prop score rocket scooter traders we can get into the competition, that it takes a seat away from another trader from another community, and we're trying to prove that we're the best trading community on the planet. There you go. Rocky Mountain Traders taking one for the team. You understand how this works. You're a good team player. I like it. Yeah, will trade strategy. Is there a loss limit, or is it just you have a $25,000 account? Is there a max loss limit, or is it just trade until 8 hours and whatever because it's paper trading, it doesn't matter? I haven't read those rules. Your Puerto Rican buddy can't log into what, Papa Les? What can't they get into? New hour just rolled over, a couple minutes into it here. I'm not liking that we couldn't make a lower low here, but I'm still thinking that we will slowly melt off here. How do you know if you're in the Rocket group? You just use the link to sign up. And then when you create your username, you can put like PS for prop score or RS for rocket scooter or, Papa Les Wick Tickler, just something that lets us know that you're part of our community. Trade until you go to zero. So there's no like daily loss limit or max loss limit, right? It's just everyone starts with a 25K account and you just trade for 8 hours and try to make as much as you can, right? Rocket Nux, there you go. I don't understand your text, Papa Les. What is that? Get a what?
Market moving, everybody leaning in. The candles flashing, noise begin. They all jumping, thinking this run. I stay cool, I don't chase none. Let it stretch, let it fake, let it breathe a bit. Seen that movie play out, I don't need that hit. When the highs get loud and the crowd all commit, I just wait real quiet for the edge to whisper in. Slow hands, let it be. Edge moves quietly. When they all commit, I wait for the wait.
Oh, a bib. I didn't know what you were talking about. You misspelled it. Yeah. You misspelled it. I was like, I was like, I don't know what that is. Is that a Puerto Rican thing? Papa Les sending me messages in chat and on my phone. Can you imagine losing 25K trading 3 micros? It's going to be done. 100% guarantee you someone's going to blow a 25K paper account in 8 hours or less. We should get Rocket Scooter Matt. To do a worst trader award. You'll do it in 8 seconds. It's going to be hard to lose 25K in 8 seconds. It's going to be really hard to do that. I mean, on 3 micros on NQ is $60. Is that right? Yeah, it's $60 a point. No, every 10 points. Yeah, $60 every 10 points with 3 MNQ contracts. So 25K divided by 60. It's a 416 right? 416 point drop or gain, depending if you're long or short. It's not out of the question.
Here he comes, yeah, he back again. 3 minutes scout, now we typing fast. Why they watching? I don't get this. No context, just
One Trump tweet. That's all it is. That's all you need. We need Trump every Monday that we're trading, and we just need to know if he's going to say something good or bad.
go slow. Let it build.
Math is hard. No, I can't read. What's my math? 4K drop? Is that what it is? Maybe I did my math wrong. I've told you many times. I am not a mathematician. I let Matt do the math. I write music. That's all I do.
Now it hits, yeah, the level cracks. Yeah, we planned that. TP Prince, chat erupts. Now we quiet, saying wait.
You are special. We're all special in our own ways.
Just edge. Now you see what we said. Do you even trade, bro?
Do we get the full 25K balance? What do you mean, the global summary? I don't understand your questions. It's just a paper account. It's like we're trading right now. It's just a sim prop account. That's all it is. A sim prop account of 25K. What is my strategy with taking payouts? Do you take the account to 27 and then take out 1,000? Yogurt pants, that's my goal. My goal each time is to get it to 27 and then take out 1,000. But as you can see, if I show you my dashboard and my payouts, I will take whatever's offered to me. So like here, my very first payout, I just took what was locked in. Right here, I took what was locked in. This was 2 payouts, so they weren't both 1,000. One was, they were both smaller, but I took 2 payouts off of that one. This one was a pro account, so I could take off a little bit more than 1,000 after your first one there. But I'll take out, my goal is to be able to take out the maximum each time. But if I don't get there and I'm eligible for a payout, I'm going to take the maximum I can take out at that time, every time. I'm not going to, I'm not going to take a chance of blowing up more. I'm just going to take what I can get. How am I not moved to live? Because they can move me to live either after 5 consecutive payouts on one account, or if they just deem you have taken a significant amount of payouts from them already. I saw a guy on X say that they were moving him to live after he had made $37,000 in payouts, and he had never taken a 5th payout on an account. He did what I did, where after if he ever got 4 payouts before he took his 5th, he would just blow that account up and start over. And while he was trading some funded accounts, they notified him that they were going to move him to live. And he was like, I didn't get a 5th payout. And they were like, you have taken out over $37,000 in payouts. We're moving you to live. So they can move me to live at any time they want, but I think I still have quite a bit of wiggle room in the overall amount. I think I could probably take out at least twice what I have right now without getting 5 payouts on one account, and I would probably still be okay. Now, I don't know that for sure. I'm not going to stick around and find out. I'm not going to wait and get a 5th payout. I think I'm going to try to keep milking multiple accounts to payouts. I would love, there's a part of me that would love to be able to, what if Luce is watching your stream and just moves you to live? That's cool with me too, man. Like, if someone from Lucid is watching the stream, cool, welcome to the show. If you want to move me to live, you can. If you just want to let me keep making $1,000 out of multiple accounts a couple times a week, I'm also very cool with that. Live is just a really bad trading account. You have to pay like $200 a month for all of your like setup fees and data fees and brokerage fees. You get $1,000 account. You go from 90% profit split to 80% profit split. And it's just I think you're limited on your contracts, like to micros, like a certain number of micros, which I basically trade anyway now. But yeah, they close all your sim accounts down if they move you to live. And I don't think there's a consistency rule on the live that I know of. I don't think there's any consistency rule. If I blow the live account up, I get put into timeout, like a cooldown period they call timeout. So I can't buy any evals. I can't trade with them for a set amount of time. And then after the cooldown period, they can invite me to what's called Lucid Max, which is just more expensive evaluations. They're like, hey, we would like to invite you to participate in our premier trading program. Look at these look at these funded evaluations that are twice as much as the other ones with the same parameters. You're cordially invited to spend more money with us than you did before. Welcome to the program. Yeah, so this is what I was saying. I would like to go live with a prop firm because I never have before. And I think it does lend me some more credibility in the, at least from a public facing streaming perspective, to be able to say, yeah, I am a live trader with Lucid. I was moved to live because I made so much money. I think that helps from a credibility standpoint. And so I do at some point want to have that pin on my chest, you know? But I'm not pursuing it wholeheartedly. If it happens, I'm not, cool. I'll be like, hey, dang, that's awesome. I did that. But also, dang it, I can't use them anymore. So, Matt was not feeling great. He's probably in bed. My Funded also has a live account. Almost all of the big top prop firms have a live account. I think the best one right now is Take Profit Trader, the one that Matt is trading live with right now. I think that's the best live account because they will give you up to 5 live accounts, and I think they give you a fairly healthy chunk of your sim profits to trade with in the live account. And there's no trailing drawdown. It's all end of the day drawdown. There's still daily payouts you can take off of it. So, no, Lucid charges you the brokerage fees and they take it out of your first payout, I believe. They're going to make you pay for that. Finally making some lower lows here. Getting a little bit of a melt off. KB Trey says, but it is beneficial to traders with low capital or one experience and challenge on live market. Yeah, it's just better. If you're going to trade a live account, it's better to do it with your own money. And that's what I'm doing right now is taking half of every payout that I get. So since about April 20th, around here, I started taking half of every payout and moving it into my live account. And I've not been trading my live account. I'm just building up a cash reserve in my own personal live brokerage account. So my goal, oh, look at this, getting down to MHP. Come on, baby. Dump it. Dump it, baby. After Lucid, I would probably go to My Funded Futures or Funded Next because they have basically the same accounts. It's the exact same account that I get with Lucid. And Tradeify as well. The Tradeify Select plan is also an option as well. So if I get moved to live, or I guess I could say when I get moved to live with Lucid, because I think it'll happen at some point. When I get moved to live to Lucid, I will be able to, I'll probably move to MFF or Tradeify or Funded Next. Tradeify does have high commissions, yeah. Man, I would love to see us get down to MHP here. Again, this is what I was talking about. As you see price fall back into all of this right here, so much business was done inside of here. This is not going to be a clean move through here. It's going to struggle just like it did here all day, Sunday night and Monday, through the Monday night session. It's going to do the same thing. If it can get into here, it's just going to be really choppy, and it may come lower, but it's not just going to. You're not just going to get one clean like right straight down. It's got a lot of work to do to cut its way through all that. So we'll see. I'm going to hang on to this. I would love to see it come back down and give MHP a little tappity tap here tonight. Oh, sorry about that. Where are we at? We need 3 more likes. We'll do another giveaway. 3 more likes. There we go. Oh, no, not yet. 3 more likes. 2 more likes. We need 2 people. Just 2 people. We still have 4 accounts to give away. And we're halfway through the show. We've only given away 1 account so far. We still have 4 more to go. No, I haven't looked at the song submission channel today, but we'll go over there in just a little bit. Oh, we got to listen to this.
You. Yeah, I've been here before, yeah, I know this place. Where the doubt gets loud and I lose my pace. Where I start strong, but I fade too fast. Let the moment slip, let it all collapse. Yeah, tried to outrun.
Let's get a code word, guys. What's the code word?
Trying to shift the blame, but the truth cuts clean when the lights go low. It's the man in the mirror I don't outgrow.
Nah, we did that one last night.
Every action shows me who I am. I could fall back into who I was, or fight for who I said I am. It's you versus
Oh, I know what it is. I haven't even seen it, but I know what it is. Dump it. Dump it, baby. Dump it is the code word. Dump it. Type it in. Type it in. Dump it is.
I felt that way, yeah. Have held that loss, paid the price of letting discipline get lost. Watch my focus crack under pressure in time. Let emotion take what was never mine. But pain don't stay if you make it teach. If you lean in close instead of out of reach. Heavy scars a map if you read it right. Every wrong step still points to the fight. No more hiding from what I know. No more breaking the code I wrote. If I want that life I see ahead, then I live these words or I live misled. It's you versus you. Only one to blame when it all falls through. It's you versus you. Every step, every trade, every single move. Stand up, don't fall. when you've got nothing left. Just show up again and again and again. Just show up again and again and again. It's you versus you. Only one to blame when it all falls through. It's you versus you. Every step, every trade, every single move. Stand up, don't fold, don't let it consume. No one in the fight, just you in the room. It's you versus you. It's you versus you. It's you versus you. At the end of it all, it was always you.
That's what I'm talking about. Love it. All right, you got seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. No more entries. Stop typing. Stop typing. Everybody is getting put in right now. That's it. It's all done. No more entries. The bot is turned off. The tool is turned off. The code word is turned off. You're going to get put in timeout. You're going to get in trouble with the mods. All right. You can either, if you're the winner, you can either choose a Lucid 25K Flex account, or you can choose a MyFunded Futures 25K Flex account. Both are absolutely fantastic accounts. They're great firms, two of the best firms in the business, two of the best accounts in the business. Your choice, winner's choice right now, all right? Winner's choice. We're shuffling it up, spinning the wheel. The winner is 40-ounce gaming. Bro, let's go. This guy right here. He hasn't typed anything yet. He's got 20 seconds, and then we're re-rolling. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Ah! Skating in by the skin of your teeth, bro. You must not be watching live. You need to hit the live button, my friend. You're not caught up on the live. All right, you get to choose Lucid 25K or MyFunded Futures 25K. Your choice. Lucid it is. You got it, babe. Congratulations. I'm going to enter you into the winner's circle right now. Trade is going absolutely fantastic. Love it. I do have 2 limit orders down here. One to take profit and then one to trigger me in long off of MHP. All right. Lucid 25K Flex. 40-ounce gaming. Congratulations, buddy. You know what to do. Go to the Prop Score Discord. Go to the Claim Your Win channel. You're a multi-time winner, so you've been through that before. Congratulations. All right. Let's go to the song submission channel. There are some new tunes up there that I have not heard yet. We still have 3 accounts to give away, guys. We have about an hour and 20 minutes left in the show. We still have 3 My Funded Future accounts to give away. The 2 Lucids were claimed, so from now on, there's no choice. It's just My Funded Futures. 3 My Funded Futures 25K Flex accounts to give away tonight. Song submission channel. We got a new one from Kyle called Do It For Me. Is this a video or is it an MP3? I'm confused. What is this, Kyle? I've never seen it like this before. It's a video, just a visualizer.
Oh, I'm not quitting on myself. Oh, yeah. Wake up, same wall, same ceiling. Phone in my face, start fleeing. Got plans on the wall, start peeling. I say tomorrow just to dodge this feeling. Know what to eat, still I binge that trash. Know what to save, still I burn that cash. Know what to say, still I talk that sass. Knowing better, doing worse. Same path, they say discipline's a love in disguise. I say, yeah, while I craft new lies. Promise myself, then I improvise. Turn every hard choice into compromise. The hurt ain't the loss, it's the story. I try my best when I duck the glory.
This song is so good.
It's the mask I made that I still parade, and it cuts me more than the world could gore me. I'm doing it for me.
Hell yeah, baby.
Not to be your hero, not to sing your song. You can doubt, you can talk, you can roll those eyes. I'm done living in the shadow of a pretty lie. I'm doing it for me, for the man I see. When the noise dies down and it's only me. You can laugh, you can leave, you can keep your help. I won't break, I won't bend. I'm not quitting on myself.
Damn, dude.
No, I'm not quitting on myself.
So good.
No way, yeah. You said, sit down, kid, stay in your lane. Said you'll never lift that much weight of pain. Said some people change, but you stay. Cool story. Watch me walk straight through your frame. You see the stumbles, don't see what I carry. You see the ruins, don't see I'm rebuilding. You see the habit, don't see me at midnight staring at the mirror like, stop pretending. I'm the one who knows every hidden excuse. The soft little voice that I still let loose. Rest, you earned it. Skip one day. Who's even watching you anyway? That voice is mine, that knife is too. Every shallow alibi that I let slide through. Pain ain't the fall, it's the fake I sell. Saying I gave all I had when I kept some for myself. For me, not to make you proud, not to be the loudest in the borrowed crowd. You can doubt, you can talk, you can roll those eyes. I'm done living in the shadow of a pretty lie. Doing it for me, for the man I see. When the lights cut out and it's only me. You can laugh, you can leave, you can keep your help. I won't break, I won't bend. Oh, I'm not quitting on myself.
That line is so good.
Oh, I'm not quitting on myself.
Ah,
Yeah.
great song.
Do it for me. Put my hands shake, do it for me. Do it for me. When my plans break, do it for me. Do it for me. When the room says quit, I'm the one who's gotta live with it. I'm doing it for me.
I'm the one that's gotta live with it, baby.
Just fade the sound. You can doubt, you can talk, you can roll those eyes. I'm done dying by 1,000 of my own white lies. Doing it for me. For the man I see, if it's me versus me, then I'll bleed for me. You can live, you can leave, you can keep your help. I won't break, I won't bend. I'm not quitting on myself. Never. Whoa. I'm not quitting on myself.
Woo! How do I download the MP3? If I download the thing, will it download an MP3? Dude, Kyle, that song. If that song doesn't win the songwriting competition, MP4, it's an MP4. I need the MP3. Where's the MP3? I don't want it. I don't want the MP4. It's called Do It For Me by I Am Liquidity 2, our mod Kyle, prop score Kyle. That is an absolutely banger. Absolute Oh, there it is. You put it in there. Okay, I got it. I got it now. I got it. Woo! I'm adding that one to the list right there. Oh no, that was a what the heck? I thought I just Oh, there it is. Okay. Open copy. I'm going to put this in my other music folder here. Woo, it's so good. So good. Hey, we got take profit and we just got triggered in on the long MHP. Let's go. Locked in 225 and now we're going to see if we can get a little MHP bounce to the long side. Banger song, banger trade. Let's go. GG's, baby. I want to see MHP hold and give me a little, let's see, we're at 420. Man, even if I could come back and retest this low up here, like that, I think I would be very happy with that trade. Very, very nice. Got the MHP tap. Let's see if we can get a little bounce. This MHP is an every single time trade. It's very, very rare that you just get a massive collapse through MHP. It can happen. You can get overshoots. Typically, MHP is going to be some type of pause in the marketplace. The only reason that it might not on ES is because MNQ still has, you know, some downside before it gets to MHP down here. So that was a great short. I just missed the limit order fill by one tick from the very top of that last leg down. Was able to get in at the next leg down. Very happy about that. It finally played out. We put green on the board for the first time in the Asia session in like a week and a half. It's been driving me freaking crazy. Patience pays. Discipline pays. NQ could bring us down a little bit heavier here, so I'm not gonna give back all of these profits. I would be willing to risk. Let's see, probably just like 6 or 7 points here. Basically a 1-to-1. Beto would be so proud. Oh, where is he? I'll show you my executions, man. Let me show you my executions. I will give just one. I'm not going to give this a lot of overshoot room to play with because I don't want to just give back the $225 I locked in. I'm willing to risk a little bit of it because MHP is a rocket scooter edge level for me. I will take the MHP long. Every single time I will be wrong from the right place. If I'm wrong, I will be wrong small. I will not bag hold this. So we'll see if we can get a little bit, just a little bitty retest. Doesn't look like it's wanting to do that though. Oh, we ran out of music. Yeah, let me get some more jams going here. I want to play that one again. I want to play that one again. It was so good.
I'm not quitting on myself.
What's the biggest 1 minute candle we've had? Right here it looks like. Is that 4.5? There's another one up there. 4.25. That's about right here. That's about the amount of overshoot that I would allow on this right here. And then cut it. Turn every hard choice into compromise. The hurt ain't the loss, it's the story. I try my best when I duck the glory. It's the mask I made that I still parade. No, there's not any news coming out. It's just a simple pullback from an extremely bullish market. We're heading into a big news event tomorrow with CPI. So it's just people, repositioning ahead of news. And I'll take that loss right there. That's the overshoot, the level. It's the largest 1 minute candle. That's just a rocket scooter technique to kind of determine, where you might want to consider trimming a loss from a high volume pivot. NQ now. So the next position here would be NQ MHP. If NQ comes down, this would be another position here. I could switch over to NQ, pull up 3 micros there. And we could just wait for MHP to hit on NQ down here. Sweep all of these lows. There's 3 high volume pivots down here on NQ right now. So this is our next A+ setup. Oh, man, what a great show. Let's see. We have 3 accounts to give away. We have 1 hour left, so we can do one, and we have 4 boot camps to give away. So let's do one. We'll do one at 9:45, 10, 10:15, 10:30, and that should get us to the end of the show. So we'll do another giveaway in about 5 minutes, guys. I'm going to set a 3 micro NQ limit order there on right on top of MHP. Keyword? What's the keyword? Somebody suggested a keyword. Me versus me? Is that what it's in there? Nice. I haven't listened to every lyric. I was listening to most of them the first time. Just the I'm not quitting on myself line is so strong, man. It's like, I'm not giving up. I'm not quitting on myself. I'm not quitting on my dreams. I'm not quitting on my why. Like, dude, so good. Let's go ahead and get a keyword up. Oh, let me get another song. There's some other songs in here. We listened to We listened to some of these last night. Jake's got one, Button by Button. Did we listen to this one last night? Jake 007.
I thought it was simple, click and go. Buy a little piece, sell a little hope. Head full of numbers, hands on the wheel, but the screen don't tell you what you really feel. It's the waiting, it's the doubt, it's the part they never talk about. You can know the setup, know the trend, still your own head might tap you out. Button by
Ugh.
I learned the game, button by button.
Oh, I get it, like pushing buttons. Okay. I was a little confused at first.
It's a fight inside, but till I got it right. One bad loss can haunt your day. One good run can still slip away. Fear gets loud, greed gets sweet. And both of them dance.
Oh, man. I don't know why we started yawn so much.
It's the pause before you
This is like, this show
patience that you got.
This show is like the antithesis of, it's like the complete opposite paradigm of last night's show. Chat's on fire. The songs are on fire. The host is on fire. Putting green on the board. We had an incredible dinner. We've given away 2 great accounts and we still have 3 more to go. Speaking of which, we need a new code word. What's the new code word? On fire? Smoking green? Nice. This show sucks. I love it. That's the code word. I found my code word. The code word is this show sucks. Thank you so much. Whatever that, who was that? Something keto. Double keto. This show sucks. Don't forget the double S because it's you know, it's 2 S's in there. This show sucks. Thank you, Double Keto. That's a great suggestion. Much appreciated. Kevin, what's up, baby? We won trades. We're listening to good music. We're typing in a code word because this show sucks. And we're gonna play 98 SR20's song called "Rigged."
Another prop score giveaway. Another evaluation account. Whole chat already saying. Chat moving fast, everybody spamming. Pick me, bro, spin it, bro. Whole prop score chat waiting on the wheel. Whole chat already saying this don't feel real. Random generator never feel random. Same few names in the whole chat. More than switch it up races. Thought to fix it quick, now the whole chat yelling this look even quick.
That's what everybody say. Every giveaway. Still we show up again. Whole chat screaming, spin again.
I've seen the name Double Keto before somewhere. I don't know why he thinks this show sucks, but it's a great code word. So we're gonna use it. The thing that trolls don't understand about me is that I love it.
Rocket emojis flooding the chat. Soon somebody lose, then the whole mood.
Vito Keto.
Everybody spamming, re-rolling all caps mode. Didn't even get a chance to type one word. Whole stream already acting like they never heard.
Somebody can't write the word sucks, so they write stinks. I understand. I don't mind if the chat trolls me in the stream. Absolutely not. I've told you guys, I love to get roasted. If you can't laugh at yourself, if you have to take yourself so seriously that you can't like take criticism, critique, evaluation, jokes. Number one, you just have to have if you have a good self-esteem about yourself, like it's hilarious, man. I think it's awesome. This keyword sucks more. Oh, it's hilarious. And yeah, I have nothing to prove. Literally, I have nothing to prove. Like, you gotta punch down to punch me. That's how low I am. You gotta really punch down. Because it doesn't get much lower. So when you're already at the bottom, when you're already teeny tiny and you know you're teeny tiny and you know you're nothing, when somebody says it, you're like, well, hello, Captain Obvious. Nice to meet you. Well, it looks like we're not going to get our MHP tap here. That's unfortunate. Looks like ES did get kind of an overshoot, and it might get reclaimed here. I'm not going to jump back in on a long. I'm very happy with the trade I took. Just from a pure execution and discipline standpoint, this is exactly the reset that my mind and my brain and for my own trading sanity needed tonight. I'm thrilled with it. Absolutely thrilled with not letting today's bad decision-making follow me into the Globex session. That's what good traders do. They let the losses, they learn from their losses, they adapt, and they move forward. And that's exactly how I feel about what happened here tonight. So I'm very, very freaking good. Just a great opportunity for me to demonstrate that. So, all right, let me grab all the names. You can stop typing. No more entries. The bot is turned off. I know it sucks. I know I suck. I know this show sucks. But you know what doesn't suck? A My Funded Futures 25K Flex account does not suck at all. All right, we're resetting it. Let me get my wheel of names up here. We're giving away 3 My Funded Future 25K Flex accounts. This is one of 3. 407 entries. You suck if you keep typing it. That's how much you suck. You're not listening to directions. Stop typing it. All right. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Spinning the wheel. The winner 25K Flex account is Balaji Trades. Congratulations, Balaji Trades. You just won a My Funded Futures 25K Flex account. Type something in the chat. Let me know you're here. There he is. I love it when they're fast on the response. That makes me so happy. Balaji Trades, you just won a My Funded Futures 25K Flex account. MFF 25K Flex. Balaji, Brad Stream. All right, here's what you're going to do to claim your prize, my friend. You are going to go to the Prop Score Discord. To get to the Prop Score Discord, you're going to go to the description of this video and you will find a link to Prop Score Discord. Once you are in there, you are going to go to the Claim Your Win channel, and you'll need to submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID. All right? Good luck on the account. Let me know how you like it. Come back and let us know how it's going for you. Guys, we still have 2 more to give away. We'll do our next one at the top of the hour in about 8 minutes. I need to find a new song to play. Let's play Papa Les's song.
I wanna be live funded. I ain't stimulated, even though it's simulated. Money means nothing if it comes from my maid. I wanna hit a bid and see it move. I wanna see partials and say, hey, man, that's cool. Sick of simulated, I want stimulated. Sick of simulated, I want stimulated.
I got you, Dave. We'll get it next.
Sick of being less stimulated and not stimulated. Bears clawing, bulls snorting. Second City is calling. I wanna be stimulated.
I want to be simulated. Papa Les throwing in the banger. Somebody was saying you've entered tie with Drew. Dude, I entered every giveaway. When I started watching Matt's show back a year ago in April, I entered every giveaway. I never won anything until December was when. No, that's not true. I won a lifetime Rocket Scooter lifetime membership because one of my songs won the last songwriting competition for the giveaway category. The giveaway Bonanza song that he plays it won, and so I won a lifetime Rocket Scooter membership from that. And then in December, I finally won an account, and I never won anything after that. And then he hired me, and now I can't enter any more giveaways. Now I get to do the giveaways. It's even better. I like giving away accounts more than I like winning accounts. Where is the Discord link? It's in the description of the video that you're watching right now. Go to the description in this video, and you will find the link to Prop Score Discord, Rocket Scooter Discord, the platform tools, bootcamp, Prop Score website, my Suno playlist. Yeah, there are people in here that I've seen people in here win like 5 times in a month. It's absolutely insane. The random number generator falls on some names for some reason. And we all, like all of the streamers on this channel, we all have different giveaway bots that capture the names. And then I use Wheel of Names. Wheel of Names is just it just puts a name on a slot and it spins the wheel. Neon uses Comment Picker and spins it, and then Matt uses Botrix to spin it. So it's not like I can't rig anything for anything to win. It's just you put the names in, you hit shuffle, you see me shuffle it up, and then I spin it, and that's just what happens. It's crazy. The ducks, I can't figure out how to do the duck race, and plus I don't think I can put 400 in there or more. I think I'm limited on the number of people I can put in the duck race. Is the duck race free, Kyle, or do I have to pay for it? Oh, I can't do it? I can't do it, right? I can't take your duck race. All right. I won't take it. We'll keep the Wheel of Names is fine. Dan says all-time highs incoming. I think you might be right, Dan. That's actually what I was kind of hoping for, but I was just hoping for one more little dippy down to MHP Yellow Line DD band. This little package right here of high volume pivots is what I was hoping we would test before we just ripped higher. But we'll see. I still have my limit orders sitting down there. You can keep the ducks. I won't use the ducks. It's fine. I like my wheel of names. Wheel of names is fine. All right, 2 more minutes and we'll do our next prop firm giveaway. We still have 2 more My Funded Futures accounts to give away. 25K flex accounts. I still have 4 boot camps to give away. We just started. Today started the day 1 of our live boot camp. We have 20 days to go. Today we learned all about discipline and we learned all about the blind monkey theory. We learned about why position sizing is the most important piece of your trading plan. All right. We need a new code word and we need some new tunes. I got a song I want to listen to. New code word is no, not your ducks. The birds and the bees. Oh, that's coming in lesson 6, I think.
We don't chase.
NATO sucks.
We wait.
Dunking ridiculous. That's pretty good. Stop typing. Oh, that's it. Stop typing. I love it. Stop typing. Stop typing. That's the code word. We're going to troll the trolls. Stop typing, all one word.
Quick clicks fade, yeah, they always do. I'm staying still, letting it come through. Right zone, right time, that's the play. Sit tight, let it marinate. Patience gets paid, gets paid. Patience gets paid, we wait. No chase, no trade. Patience gets paid, 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 paid. Patience gets paid, gets paid, gets paid. Patience gets paid, we wait. We no chase, no trade. Patience gets paid, 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 paid. Miss that move, yeah, let it go. There's another one down the road. Green or red, don't mean a thing. If you force the trade, you feel the sting. Wait, 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 wait. Let it align. Right place, right time. Patience gets paid, gets paid. Patience gets paid, we wait. No chase, no trade. Patience gets paid, paid.
I can't imagine Papa Les going clubbing.
Patience gets paid, gets paid, gets paid.
I bet he had some smooth moves.
We wait, we no chase,
Papa Les
no trade.
aura on the dance floor has got to be off the charts.
Most will chase it. Most will wait. We don't. We don't. We wait. Wait, 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 wait. Patience gets paid. Patience gets paid. Patience gets paid. Gets paid. Gets paid. Patience gets paid. We wait. No chase. No trade.
All right. Let's spin the wheel. Well, I'll give you 45 more seconds. I'll get one more. I'll let the bot go around one more time. Scrape it. Tweaked my ankle in the gym today. I don't know what I did, but it is super tight. My ankle is it's like very tender. I don't remember like rolling it, but like after I got back to work and I sat and then I've been sitting all night, for whatever reason I did something to it and it's like super tender and like just tight. Sprained it doing something. It's because you're old AF. Screw you, man. That's the kind of roast that I'm talking about. I love it. That's what I'm talking about right there. Well played. Bring it on, baby. You remember your first owie? Oh, it's so good. Didn't think you were 50? You look good? Thanks, man. That's not much of a roast, but I'll take the compliments too. Does it increase your chances if you enter the code multiple times? No, it does not. You only get one entry. The bot only gives you one entry per person. So you can type it as many times as you want. Suck it up, Buttercup. I love it. Rub some dirt in it. I can't do anything about ES. It's trying to reclaim MHP. If it reclaims MHP, then I think that 7430 area is probably your next stopping point there. Rob Heitzman lost an account going opposite of Brad. Listened to his struggles from earlier today and got what you deserve. No, man, you got to push the buttons. If you think going, long was the right play, then stick to your guns, man. Don't let my analysis or what I say on the stream, I don't want that to, like, when it comes to trading, you have to make your own decisions. And I know that you watch streamers to hear what their thoughts are and all that kind of stuff. I get all that. I remember when I started trying to trade like Matt, I got screwed, man. Like, I can't. I would listen to what he was thinking and I would listen to what he was trading or where he was going or what he was doing. And man, I had to quickly get away from outside influence from my trading. And I got to just use I would pull up the Rocket Scooter platform. I would take what I learned in the boot camp and then I would just go off of that to make my decisions. And that's when everything changed for me. Some days that lined up perfectly with what Matt was doing on the stream. Some days it was the exact opposite of what Matt was doing on the stream. But I stuck to my plan. So don't let what I'm saying or what I'm doing here on the stream persuade you to do something else. And if you see me like last night, fading me would have worked every time and you would have made a butt ton of money last night. But I'm not typically, like you saw weeks. weeks where I was extremely accurate and we never lost a trade in the Globex session at all. So, all right, I'm copying the users. Literally stop typing. Literally stop typing. Stop typing. Stop it. Stop typing. No, stop it. Quit. Oh, you'll get put in timeout if you keep typing it. Okay, boomer. See? Great troll. That's a great roast. Boom, roasted. Quit typing. There you go. Quit typing. Quit typing. I'm going to ban you if you don't stop it. All right, here we go. We're rolling it. The winner is Hans Cap. Congratulations, you just won a My Funded Futures 25K Flex account, my friend. Hans Cap, type something in chat. Rigged. Rigged. There he is. Me win. Oh boy. I won is how you say that. Me win is not correct grammar. All right. Let me put you into the, I'm going to put you into the winner's circle here. Oops. There we go. Hans Cap. MFF 25K Flex. All right. Hans Cap. To claim your prize, please follow these instructions. He may be Asian chill. Listen, if you come into this show, you got to be able to take it, man. You got to be able to take it. If you watch this show, you cannot take yourself seriously. You're going to get roasted. If you can roast me, I get to roast you, okay? That's the way this works. That's the way this works. All right, Hans Cap, this is what you're going to do. You are going to go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find a link to the Prop Score Discord in the description of this video, Hans Cap. Once you have gotten to the Prop Score Discord, you're going to go to the Claim Your Win channel, where you will need to submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID. And there are some other instructions in there that you will need to be able to follow. So very quickly, one more time, go to the Prop Score Discord. The link is in the description of this video. Go to the Claim Your Win channel, submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID. Congratulations. We have one more account. We have one more to give away. Look at MES reclaiming MHP here, baby. Look at MES reclaiming MHP. Just a little overshoot. Rejection, reclaim. Bala. You're welcome, Mark Tom Frank. I'm here to help you as much as you can. Oh my gosh, Keith Matthew. Crap your Hans. Oh, that's so good. Oh, I love it. Keep ignoring me's, please. Oh, Tickling Wicks. How did I got to turn this one up. I got to turn this one up.
Tickling Wicks.
Yeah, man.
I've already got the keyword for the next one. I got the keyword ready for the next one.
The candles flashing, noise begin. They all jumping, thinking this D-run. I stay cool, I don't chase none. Let it stretch, let it fake, let it breathe a bit. Seen that movie play out, I don't need that hit. When the highs get loud and the crowd all commit, I just wait real quiet for the edge to whisper in. Slow hands, let it be. Edge moves quietly. When they all come in.
Hey, Jake, have a great night. Go tuck yourself, buddy. We'll see you tomorrow. No, it's not Boomer.
How you catch that? I just grin. I ain't rushing, I just wait to slip in. Top of the wick where it flips. Quick, calm, little life. Tickling wicks. Top of the wick where the pressure flips. Tiny little tap, yeah, that's my zip. In and out, school, no drama,
I'll give you the
no
keyword
just a calm
when this
little
song is
life.
over.
Tickling wicks. Slow hands, let it be.
Oh, you can mess with me all you want. I'm here for it, man. I'm serious. I am serious when I'm telling you. It doesn't bother me. In fact, I invite the jokes and the roasts. I do not take myself that seriously. I love when people get creative and witty in the way they come at me. I think it's fantastic.
That's the sun, clean entry every time.
You guys are close, but you're not there yet. You guys are close, but you haven't gotten it yet.
The wick tickle up right at the tip.
This song is so good, man. It turned out so well.
Tickling, tickling, tickling.
It's such a vibe. It's just chill, but groovy. All right, I'm gonna put it in the chat. Here's the code word. There it is. It's in the chat right now. I just put it in the chat. Boom, roasted. A little office montage, a little office throwback, nostalgia. Little Michael Scott.
3 minute scout, now we type
Boom,
of
roasted.
friends. Why they watching? I don't get this.
Boom, roasted.
No context, just reckless. Scrolling charts like it's instant food. Wants a trade every minute or two. No rush, go slow. Let it build, let it grow. Do you even trade, bro? Do you even trade, bro? I'm not a shower, I'm a grower. Do you even trade, bro? Now it hits, yeah, the level cracks. Clean entry, yeah, we planned that. TP Prince, chatty rups. Now we quiet, saying wait, hold up. No hype, just edge. Now you see what we said. Do you even trade, bro?
You slept with so many guys, you're starting to look like one.
I'm not a shower, I'm a grower. Do you even trade, bro?
Oh, so good.
Came in loud, we stay still. You want it, we want it, skill.
That is one of the best scenes in The Office. Angela, I didn't see you standing there behind that grain of rice. Boom, roasted.
You even trade, bro?
Oh, it's so
I'm not
good.
a shower, I'm I'm a grower.
It's so good. That show is just, there's not much better writing. There's not much better comedy writing on a TV show than that.
I'm a grower.
Parks and Rec kind of has that same vibe. Parks and Rec is really funny. I really like Parks and Rec. All right. Turn that down. Hey, Kyle, have a great night, man. Go tuck yourself, buddy. We'll see you tomorrow. All right, we're getting the wheel out for our final My Funded Futures account coming up. I'm going to give you, let's see how much time. You have 30 seconds to type Boom Roasted. You got 30 seconds, and then we're going to spin the wheel for our fifth and final prop firm account giveaway tonight. All right, that's it. It's closed. No more entries. Entries are closed. The code word has been disabled. We're going to shuffle it up. Wheel of Names, 361 entries. My Funded Futures, 25K flex account right here, right now. Start typing. Boom Roasted. The winner is Boom Rigged. Camille Peralta. Congratulations. You just won a My Funded Futures 25K flex account. Camille Peralta. I need you to type something in chat. Anything. Me win, it would be fine. Yay! Wait, are you a female? I see your picture. That doesn't mean anything. Are you a female? A girl, a lady trader? I see you. I'm not asking. I didn't ask if she was single. I said, is she female? Good Lord. That's awesome. I'm so happy to hear that. We don't have very many of those in our community, and I'm happy that you won one, my dear. Congratulations. All right, let me put you into the winner's circle, Camille. Or Kemmel. I'm not sure how to say that, but I'm going to say Camille. Camille Peralta, whatever it is. I'm not sure. My Funded Futures 25K flex. I'm sorry if all of these dudes start talking to you in the chat. I'm just going to go ahead and apologize right now. Guys, be nice. Stop. Leave her alone. We want them to stay around. We need more lady traders. Leave her alone. All right. Camille Peralta, you are going to go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find a link to get to the Prop Score Discord in the description of this video. You're going to go to the Claim Your Win channel, and you'll need to submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID. Congratulations. Prop Score Discord, link is in the description of this video. Claim Your Win channel, screenshot of your YouTube ID. Jen Trades. Look, there's more. All the ladies, would you please stand up? Please, ladies, please stand up. Let us know you're here. I see Jen Trader. I see the Wealth Goddess. I see, of course, Camille Peralta now. Who are the other ladies we have in the chat? All the ladies. We're all, Mom Bucks is here. Miss K. Cheryl. Hey. Nice. Muckrop. I don't know if that's a lady trader. Jaded T is a lady trader. Purple Robluxian Plays is a lady trader. Habastorta. A-Plot. Holy cow. Look at all the ladies in here. My Travel Journal, Ashley Brown, Trader Girl, Rhonda Candles, Kids Vibes. Dang, we got a lot of them. Holy mother, I did not realize there were so much feminine energy in our community. My Cock Small says, ladies, drop your Amazon wish lists in chat. Shannon is your first name? Cool, Smug Rob. Well, welcome, Shannon. Change, you have a great night. Thanks for being here. It's ladies' night. Nazik Kaskara is a lady trader. Dang, all the ladies in the house. Girl power, that's what I'm talking about. I had no idea we had so many. Nanda Talks, Aubrey Strawberry. Dude, this is fantastic. Dang, man. That's so cool. Well, I'm glad you guys are here. It must be the handsome fellow behind the camera. I know that's why you show up. It's the old silver fox. It's the old, aging sophistication. Another cherry chills here. I love it. We got a lady army. Ashley Brown. Dang, man. I had no idea. Very cool. You're telling your girlfriend? I'm married. It's the Silver Fox. Thank you, Miss K. That's what I thought it was. That's the right answer. That's the only right answer. That is the only right answer. I wasn't in Travel Journal. Same. I was not expecting there to be so many in the chat tonight. I really did not think that we had that many, but that's incredible. Rocket scooter matchmaking. I mean, somebody should develop an app. We could probably put together a little trader matchmaking. I like it. I'm down. We need some lady versus bro songs. Okay, I'm good with that too. Yeah. Rocket Hinge. Rocket Babies. We could do a ladies only. I just don't know how. I don't know how I would be able to. I don't know how I'd be able to filter it out. Rocket Babies, Rocket Ladies, Rocket Grinder. That's hilarious. Tinder Trader. See, it writes itself, man. Tinder Trader. I love it. A ladies only giveaway tomorrow. For birthday, we have 31 accounts. Surely we could do a ladies only giveaway. I'll think about it. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. We need to hook the ladies up. We got to keep the mamas happy. I'm here for it, man. I think it's cool because there's just not typically typically trading is a male-dominated industry. There's not been a lot of there's just not been a lot of ladies that I've seen recently. I have started to see more lady streamers popping up though. Like Tradeify's got some lady streamers on their show that I think are pretty good. Of course, Tanya Trades is a lady streamer. Lumi Trades is a female streamer and trader. They're starting to become more and more around. I don't know what the word I'm thinking of is. All right. We got 4 boot camps to give away. If you have never taken even if you have taken the Rocket Scooter boot camp, we just started our live boot camp today. It begins as soon as the market closes. We have 19 more days to go. We're going to give away 4 boot camps right now. Type the word boot camp into the chat, and we will use ChatGPT to pick 4 of you to get a free month of the Rocket Scooter Boot Camp. Boot Camp, type it in. We're giving away 4 of them right now. It's a 20-day trading education course. It costs $20. It's $1 a day. It's worth 100 times that or more. It's the very education that turned my trading around. You've heard me say that every show if you've been here. I am all about the Rocket Scooter Boot Camp. It is absolutely fantastic. Even if you've already won one, you can still enter. Yes, sir. You can win the boot camp again. You can win another month for free. If you've already taken it and you need a redo, you can enter. And you can get a shot at one of 4 that we're giving away right now. No, you can enter. Yeah, it's Sinister Scalper. That rule is gone. I have removed that rule. I have removed that rule. Papa Les has paid for more than a few. I thought you won one, Papa Les. Didn't you finally win one like last week or something? You won, but you accidentally paid my first month. Hey, Britt Martin, just reach out to Slacks, and he can probably hook you up with that. Just tell him what happened. The trade on ES typically from MHP all the way back to HP. Yeah, typically Rocket Scooter levels are from one pivot to the next. So yes, you would be looking from this pivot to that pivot, and that would be your first take profit. I typically will just go for like a 1-to-1 trade. So if I'm risking 10 points, I'm just going to look for 10 points. I don't always go from level to level, depending on the distance between that is, what the distance between that is. But that is one way to do it, yes. Do mothers only spin for the wheel? I got to figure out how to isolate women only, a women only giveaway for on Wednesday when we do all those big accounts. Guys, tomorrow we're going to be giving away tomorrow we're giving away 3 of the brand new Funded Next Futures accounts that are dropping in the morning. We're giving away 3 50K flex accounts tomorrow morning, or tomorrow on my show. Matt's giving away a bunch of them on his show in the morning. Neon's giving away a couple on his show in the afternoon, and I'm giving away 3 of them, plus 2 more My Funded Futures tomorrow night. So we've got 5 more accounts tomorrow night. And then, of course, the big show on Wednesday will have 31 accounts to give away. 31. And then we'll have 5 more on Thursday to finish out the week. So I'm so grateful to Prop Score and My Funded Futures and Lucid for hooking us up for the birthday bonanza. All right. Yeah, the chances that you can win a boot camp on this show are extremely high. If you just show up, we do them towards the end of the show. If you just show up towards the end of the show, your chances of winning a boot camp at some point on this show are extremely high. We give away so many boot camps on this show. All right, I'm going to pull up ChatGPT here. Oh, all right. I'm going to let it go 5 more seconds here, and then we're going to grab it. Okay, there it is. There it is. All right. Copying all the users. You can stop typing, guys. I got it. Please choose 4 random names from the list below to win a rocket scooter boot camp. Here we go. Here we go. The 4 winners tonight. Lucky winners. Intraday Velocity. Smoke Grenade Guy. Jason Feeney. And Look Left. Those are our 4 winners tonight. Congratulations. You just got a 20-day rocket scooter boot camp education. Thank you so much for being here. I'm going to put your names into the winner's circle right now. Submitted. Done. All right, to claim your prize, just like all of the others, you're going to go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find a link in the description of this video. Go to the Claim Your Win channel, and you will need to submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID. One more time. Prop Score Discord. Link is in the description of this video. Claim Your Win channel. Submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID. If you didn't win, it costs $20. It is, if you're going to spend $100 on an eval, you should spend, oh, look at drops trades. Let's do 4 more. All right, we'll do 4 more. We'll do 4 more. Thank you, drops trades. Please choose 4 more winners. We just got another donation. Woohoo! Bonus round. Momo Shab Haley. Chump Trader with 4 more. Oh my gosh. Chump Trader. I'm sorry. Momo Shabley. Bill Jeff. Motor Trades. USMC. You guys just won 4 boot camps. Let me put you in the winner's circle. Boot camp names. You are submitted. Let's do 4 more. We just got another donation. I know, right? Let's choose 4 more. I Trade Volume Profile, Britt Martin, KP Trade, Danny Boy. Congratulations. 4 more Rocket Scooter Boot Camp winners. I Trade Volume Profile, Britt Martin, KP Trade, Danny Boy. You just won yourselves a free month of the Rocket Scooter Boot Camp. All right, I'm going to put you into the winner's circle. Let's go. Thank you guys so much for those donations. I really do appreciate you. KP Trade says give hers away. All right. KP Trade wants to pay hers forward. Rondi Serrano. Rondi Serrano, you just won.
Chasing better nights, no fear in my chest. I'ma give this all my best. Hey, every scar tell a story. Every loss I turn to glory. I don't fold, I don't break.
All right.
Rise up, do what it
Oh, I trade volume profile. You won one. I mean, you can win too. I'll pay it forward. I trade volume profile also wants to pay it forward.
reach for the sky. Ain't no hand
Sip Distrat.
ain't no man gonna control.
There you go. Sip Distrat.
Salvation built on determination. My life like a high wire.
Anybody else want to pay it forward? Rondi Serrano says no, pay it forward. Why did y'all enter if you didn't want to win it? Doodah, you didn't win, did you? Purple Robloxian plays. Purple Robloxian plays.
Sin ruido,
You didn't think you would win?
sin filtro.
Well, you did.
Se mueve en Washington atento. No es iniciativa más ni simple movimiento. No es ruido político sin consecuencias. Es algo más serio.
All right.
Con claras incidencias.
I think that's everybody. Boom, pay it forward. Boom, pay it forward. Boom, pay it forward. Compulsive. This is what compulsive degenerate gambling does to you. You see a contest and you have to enter, even if you've already won before. That's hilarious. I just pulled it from that list. It's a new chat. It's a new chat. I didn't pull it from. It's all 49 of those names. They're all in here. Look. I trade volume profile entered. Sip Distrat entered. Jason Feeney. I mean, there's everybody's in here. Purple Robloxian plays. Rondi Serrano. Everyone who said pay it forward, KP Trade. You guys entered.
La ONU sale a voces, lo deja clarito. Polisario en la mesa, actor legítimo inscrito.
Se sienta como uno más en negociación.
No es un invento, reconocimiento en acción.
Mientras tanto, tres republicanos se crecen intentando imponer etiquetas.
I don't even know what this song is. It got off my playlist. Some Suno. If you won, you go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find a link in the description of this video. Go to the Claim Your Win channel. Submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID. You'll get hooked up. You're welcome, man. Thank you, Drops. Thank you, Chubb. Was that it? It's those two? Yeah. I thought there was another one. Maybe it wasn't. We gave away 12, plus a few because people were paying it forward, so it's all good. The boot camp is so good. It is so good. All right. What a great night. This was a great rebound from last night's show. What a great rebound effort we had. Trades were great. Market was great. Chat was great. Giveaways were great. Music was great. The vibes were great. The ladies were great. Ladies showed up. Thank you, ladies. The Wick Tickler fan club. I'm here for it. All right. It's time. It's time to tuck you in. It's time to pull up that blanket, turn off the lights. Wish you sweet dreams of green, all my favorite people. I will be back tomorrow night. Don't forget to check out Matt's show in the morning. Check out Neon's show in the afternoon. If you haven't yet signed up for the Ninja Trader Arena Cup, be on Matt's show tomorrow because we're going to be unveiling the brand new Funded Next Flex accounts and how they score on Prop Score. So, And we're giving away a bunch of those accounts all day tomorrow. So I love you guys. I'm so grateful and honored that you share this journey with me every single night. Thank you for showing up. Night shift is clocking out. We'll see you tomorrow.
Screams
98 SR20, Braille AR, Woo Outside, JJ Redbird, Jaded T, Bill Jeff. Thank you guys so much for being here. Appreciate you. Aubrey Strawberry, John Phillips. This show sucks. Brian B. Dog, Terry in San Francisco, Daily Mana, Spyro. Have a great night, guys. Judah, PL Strong, Zay, Lintech, Intraday Velocity, Oz Trader, Matsuri. Good night, guys. Croatian Sensation, My Travel Journey, LSG, Duarte Machado. Great night, guys. Have a good night. Bank Robber Trading, Landlord Logic, Sport, Cheryl, Miss K, Elon, Gen Trades. Ladies, have a great night. Thank you for being here. Dexter Goes Wild, Kevin, D&D Trader, Yaml, Drops, Trader Girl, Wise Guys. Good night, LWNSG, and have a great night. Seth C, Chump Trader. Don't forget to say your Jared on. I'm hitting the bottle as soon as we get off. Sleepwalker, Miss K, good night, Silver Fox. Woo! Good night, Bob. That's good night. Liv Shelbo, good night. English Music Now, have a great night. Rondi Serrano, have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow. Bank Robber Trading, Thicky Alert, good night. Adam Daz, have a great night.
Good night, sleep tight, sweet dreams of green tonight. Sweet dreams.
Kids Vibes, have a great night. Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
Papa Les, you got all the bell money we need, buddy. Hey, good night, Matt Evans.
Sweet dreams of green tonight.
Rogue of the Lamb. Good night, sir. Joseph Newsom Shuri, good night.
Night shift clocking out. Night shift clocking out.
Good night, Zill.